wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow.
Me, nah stop when you go crazy. One does it and never change right here. Why me? Make it for me. See I'm like, oh, wait a minute.
Hello, sir.
Hi, good day.
Good day. What is your name?
My name. Some name David. What is your name?
My name Alia.
Oh.
I don't know, I just a fast and see and I say look nice and thing.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I'm so
So I can't get to know you.
Yeah, I know so.
I want to get to know you, man. You single?
Oh, so I'm not telling like I'm living with one little lady though. Which is miserable. Every day down on the hills. But I'm still looking like that.
I know when somebody when I'm miserable, I can take care of you.
Take care of me?
Yeah.
Take care of me.
Take care of you in every way.
If someone tell me but I want a loyal piece of boy, I'm not really cheat.
You don't cheat?
I'm not cheat.
Alright, tell me number if you're interested in me. Take out the phone.
Give me number. So you see what you like, so?
I don't know, my spirit just take you.
No, I understand. So what is your name?
Can I just tell her my name?
Sorry, I'm short your name. I feel you kind of people.
Alright, it's in there.
Alright, are you look a sister this one?
No, I'm a daughter.
Oh, wow. So your daughter name?
Keisha.
Nice to meet you, Keisha.
Same.
Alright.
So, me text you and me talk to you from there. So, you must have to want to talk to me when me don't text you. So, later.
I believe that, man. Alright. My God, I wish nice girl is that. You sweetheart. What ones? Beg a minute. No? You single?
No, I have a little man in my life. I know.
No, but you don't want a sugar daddy from the side, you know? A side man.
No, I don't want no man. Matter of fact, come here with two man. I have a man already.
You have to have somebody from the side, so if your man mess up, you have a backup.
No, I don't need no backup. My man a backup and first child, everything. Side man, mega man, any type of man. He fill up every spot. I don't want a man, I'm sorry.
You see, let me teach you something. You see, in life, you don't keep one man. You don't keep one woman. Because it's when you keep one woman and that one woman fail you, you're gone to madhouse. And when you keep one man and that man fail you, you're gone to madhouse same way.
But look why you know. What would I really pick up to do in my life?
To mind you, you need a sugar daddy. I can take care of your ear, see the ear one do.
No worry about my ear soon do. My man soon settle that when he get a good food.
I'm gonna buy you the real jewel, real gold.
No watch that. Money, you can use money and catch me. First of all, me no run my body, so me no want no one bag of man. Me I keep my body to myself and to my man. One man told me something, and that's a Davy, my man.
Okay. So You follow the rest of the girl when I talk about one man and look more from now soon here.
No. He not the better road. My man is better. You see, sometimes today me have a disagreement. Sometimes I accuse him about things that me think him a do a role, but I me have a little feeling. But me know my man now do me do something
I'm
there.
going to teach you something. Yeah?
My man now do me something.
I'm going to teach you something. That's one of the things. You see, enter your mind till you say your man I do something out a road. Keep a good eye upon him.
Me keep a good eye upon him. My man just go to work and come back home to me.
As what you say.
Keep a good eye upon yourself. Because I don't want a man right now. My man alone me want. I'm sorry. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Oh, you can call me Father Joe.
Okay, Father, just nice meeting you. But probably if you look when me this single, I might take up you. But me taking alone, me stay loyal. Me one of the loyal girl there. You see in Jamaica, they always say no woman attack no loyal. But I want to show you.
All right, no problem. Stay loyal.
Right.
I'm gonna go to the bar and have a drink. If you change your mind, you find me at the bar.
I next thing to me no like junkhead man. Me a not junking man now. Work.
I don't junk. Me just under the vibes, the spirit.
Oh, I never
Yeah.
That's why I put on. Why you have my head?
Eh?
Are you really hear that?
Yeah.
I say look pretty. Come and see it.
Listen to me, mama. I don't want nobody touch my head. You see, when people don't make people touch you in your ear, then can obey you.
Me
Do
not
not
obey you.
make people touch in their ear.
So when you tell me, I say do not make people touch you in your ear. Why you do that stuff?
Because I'm teaching you something. You learn
Anyways, me
something.
a got me here. Me a got me here.
Don't make nobody rest their
Bye.
hand in your head.
See you sometime.
Yeah, me I go down to the bar if you change your mind, check me, yeah?
Okay.
No problem.
Steve, man. Hello? Yeah, David. I'm just a reach for my prayer. Oh, there, I'm there, man. Just the company where you come chill out, I know. Then book you up. You getting to know me. Like up on one date. I really know about that, man. I really know about that, you know, George. But me I have a chat.
Are you open phone, B?
I don't know nobody.
Let me see. Are you open phone?
That's why you answer my phone, sir.
Because in a chat phone, we're getting to know what magazine. Are you open phone?
Me I buy a phone.
Let me see the phone.
I talk in time, me I talk to.
We're talking time.
When we talking time up.
Not talking time up me on your phone that you can't fool me. I am who the pan phone.
Me and nobody not depend on my phone.
Me hear you, me turn the battery man hear you. You am who the pan
What you
phone.
hear me say?
But getting to know, make me no member.
Me not say nothing about getting to know.
What
me
you say?
Me say your bill down a floor. But what kind of getting
Me not
to
on
know?
a bill that
I
floor.
know you, me, if you tell you say you have bill, me and you talk on phone.
You who the type of
Me and nobody not talk here.
me want to see the phone you have. You must be saying woman. Me a feel say you have woman. You have woman.
Me have you. You are my woman.
No man, make me see in your phone. Why don't me see in your phone?
What make you want to see in my phone?
Me want to see what you do in your phone. That me want
Me
to
never
see.
take your phone and say me want to see it.
Me want to see in a film in a business. Me want to look at me and look at me and want to see your
I'm not
phone.
looking at your phone and you're not looking at me. The day you search my phone, the day me and your relationship done. So if you want, tell it, pull it and look in there. If you pull it, just know it's your relationship done.
Pull it, me don't know your passcode. You think my business? Pull it.
I know pull it from my phone.
You see something? I was right. Me the right for you. Cause see you walk when you know the truth. You walk away.
Me I walk away because you stress me out.
How me I stress you out?
This morning me I play Subway Surf. You say, get up off my bed. Move.
Because me I spread up in bed.
Well, me tell you someone I spread up your back. Just like how now me company and me spread it and keep it clean. Baby, sometimes you just need to build. Me no mind like
You have
arguing.
woman.
Me no mind
You have
arguing
woman.
every day.
You have woman. If
No.
I, where you gotta go to? Where you gotta go to this morning?
Because sit down, we go look on the road and you make me have a chat foolish. We go turn up on the road and look, cause you stress me out sometimes. Every day you get up and say, more want something to eat, which is no problem. But food in a place and you not do nothing. You just say you want something to eat. Me buy groceries, me buy mackerel, me buy rice, and you want me cook.
So you can cook you want to your hand them.
There's nothing wrong with my hands, but,
Okay, then,
but it's
move
not
on.
my belly hurting.
So me want to see night phone. You want me to want to see night phone?
Yes.
No. No. Move on here, move on here. Me want to see night phone.
Own business. You can't buy that there, you have no style charge.
Who now style? Style in a head. You cook?
Little girl, you look like your maid.
No, you don't
You
look like
look like your mother. See your mother, they say hungry. Tell your mother, say
So where you
hungry.
going so with her for?
Anyways, where you come from?
You come from up by road. You have food to tell you.
Why you love road door?
One of the first thing in the house here. It's about you.
How are you have to tell me now?
So you don't know say girl look up on the road. I'm a see one man girl. I'm a daddy actually look man, but him and the same about woman. So we just exchange my number and send to text me.
Your skin never jump, man. You don't have a baby father. You don't live with a baby father.
Girl, you don't know say my baby father not good. He not go with nothing. I don't care about the weed. So I have to try to find somebody with hard work.
You see,
Now we can settle down and dead see me. You see me?
you see, as a nice young said because sister, you go, you see, you need faith. Father God, give us a little like you cannot share your one. You need to stick with the baby father. And that go around and look man. You don't look good. You have a baby father. He might love
no man.
He might love smoke, yes. But I don't know baby father already. Stick with the baby father.
He need to step up where him do. If he not step up, then we have to continue to find somebody else.
Alright.
Yeah.
I see a free life.
Then you are going to stick with one man when you plan to step up in a life. Help take care of not own the place. Just big leg or stuff.
Help move the man. Turn him into the man where you want him to be.
Him mother never did that for that.
Instead of you go around and look man.
Me I wonder if him mother never did that for grooming from him young. He have sense. And can take on responsibilities.
Tell me a question. And this baby father say that you never know say no have no sense when you lie down with him.
Girl, don't worry about that part.
We can't tell her what to do, you know, because you're the one, the only put your fire guard. We can't tell her what to do.
Well, anytime I see about the man, they are going to introduce it to him. But, you must say about man, but you know. I see when me get my baby father.
Same thing. You walk around and take people man.
I don't see when me get my baby father, I never did have a woman before. I never have a woman before.
Have a whole baby father. Huh? Are you still... Why? Are you related?
Hey, me related.
No, me are really sister. The truth. No, me have to ask for me this. I can't order the same vagina will come out. Could never.
I just saw a parrot up here. And when me go back on the road, and I see me introduce it to man. Alright. So I saw a parrot up here. I'm going to look something like that.
She's a man. What is me don't read.
Hi. Morning, how are you this up?
I know I say, madam, you go look for?
Yeah, mother, who are your mother?
Miss Pamela.
Allah, yeah, tell her. Miss Pamela.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, me
You know
know.
her?
No, sir,
So,
I don't know.
I think we are react how I come think you know her.
Me don't know your mother. You more know. What's your name?
My name is Amanda, what's yours?
My name is Davy. Where are you from?
Nice meeting you, David.
You have your handshake firm, do man.
It's supposed to shoot first.
So where you from?
Down the road, we're on one corner, over one corner, down in our.
So like you live down the road, where you heading up the road, go do.
Like me say, me go look for my mother.
Oh, listen, I see you look for the woman, I walk like you're a pussman. Man,
I wouldn't even so.
I'm a dog then.
No, sir, I did have to me a walk and the breeze of love, never want to go sketchy on my eye.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
but I like your slow make out here.
That's a go on.
Mm-hmm.
It is good to like someone.
Mm-hmm.
You don't look bad yourself.
Thanks. Piercing that we have to bad too.
I have more than one piercing.
I all of them may talk. Everything going on them. Everything going on them.
Oh.
So differently, Amanda, I can't get your contact.
You know, so I have a phone for me though.
No way, I have one phone. You can put your number in there.
Alright.
You don't live with no man.
No, sir. Me and my sister and no little niece live. Me no man come in no man.
Oh, so me your man then.
Eh?
No, true. You say you don't have no man, and true you give me your number, so me the think so.
Oh,
Me think say me your man.
okay. You see.
I'm under with 3 heart.
Yeah, me just say with that way then.
Alright.
You're not no man.
Mm.
Cause you see, if we do get together,
Yeah.
I don't want to hear him say my man down the road with no man. We no,
No.
I mean
never,
woman,
never,
woman,
never.
woman,
Yeah.
mistake.
Woman.
Woman, if you say, not man.
Yeah.
Woman.
Alright.
Cause, you see that bamboo, yeah?
Yeah.
You see bamboo them?
Yeah.
I thought I didn't see them.
Yeah, see them, man. No worry. You,
I want them to use broke up on you, both you and the woman.
swear, don't ever worry. You will never hear somebody a roll with woman. Don't
Me sick in my cranium.
me see it, man.
Yeah.
So, me see her walk and I hold on your head. Me did kind
Fully
of see
mad.
it. Me see it, man. But your mother now, me text her and something.
Make sure.
Alright.
Alright.
I must say, you never go hear somebody with woman.
Make sure.
Alright. I do with them, but you're not here.
Mommy, what you do?
Me just step on my phone and get some business done.
Oh, you know, say ask me that so we can go on the road. That's why me there.
What on the road you go?
Oh, that's all.
Alright, go on, take long go.
If I see me take long, just come to me, you know.
Yeah, be careful.
Who you are first me say in Eileen.
Pitney, stop rank with me. Stop rank with
Come
me.
me the ring today and me say first me say in Eileen. Tell me
Me
how
like
me
clear
the
your
rank
throat
today.
like something stop your throat, something stop your
Me
throat.
have to clear my throat and me see one monkey they walk past, so me have to clear my throat.
Sister stinking Pitney, yeah. Pitney,
Yeah,
much.
smell me come smell myself. Me
Me
have
say,
14.
you're 14, you're little Pitney. Although me couldn't be your mother, but me a big woman for you. Have
Yeah,
manners.
Me look how me and you look like
Have
I said.
manners. Maybe you don't have manners. No chat to me, so me on the
Don't
side.
say you want me to tell my mother.
You don't gonna go tell your mother.
Alright.
You don't gonna go tell your mother. You're bright like it. I make your mother come and lick your mind and face too. Compare to rank with people. Come back and me yard.
Mommy,
What's here?
somebody lick me.
What you say?
One girl on the road.
Which girl?
He black and he tall.
What she beat you for?
Me don't know about say me no fi face with it. I can be my mother.
I fear Pitney.
I don't
What
know.
she a lick you for? Come show me her. Nobody na lick my Pitney and get me with it. Come.
And she said about she be back to me.
Back so.
Mommy, I hear she did say.
Right, so?
Come like she gone.
Listen to me. You see, next time, nobody said they want to lick you. You try to get one video so we can see who I'm
Mommy,
lick
get
off
one
their
video,
face.
mommy, when then they come and me they get it beaten.
Try make sure you get one video next time so we can see who so we can lick off their face because nobody now lick my picture and get away with it. You
Me
hear
have
me
to
say?
get their name because
Oh.
me can go get the video. After me go they get the video.
Nobody now gonna lick my picture and get away with it. You know what? Me I stand up over your stall wait for now. Come, let's stand up over your stall. You know what? I never not stand up your stall wait for nobody, you know. Because I don't know how you for come and run in and make somebody a beat you up, you know. I know do nothing, you know, or get no video or nothing, you know. You know what? Come go up at the yard. Come go up at the yard.
My daughter, you look so.
Because when me go on the road today, one girl beat me.
Beat you.
Yeah.
Girl come around and beat you. So she beat you for.
You know. I just say walk and the girl see me and the girl just jump on me so I'm not even get time to the car back.
So the girl that come from.
I not even know if it was me and see her in Eileen, but she black and tall.
You want to say about you? You want to say about that then?
My mother,
Mm.
my mother did actually go there look for her, but she didn't find him, you know. So I don't know. Me no find the girl.
So you're beating stick.
Me no beating sick, but me couldn't get no chance to beat back the girl.
So I get dumping and your mama not going to talk, make girl beat your road.
But
Eh?
me never tell someone to dumpling on your man banana.
And that's strong enough to make people, if you beat up people on the road, people cannot beat you on the road.
Me no know.
Oh, right now. Where your mother then?
Me no know which one she is. She must go and look somebody. Me no know.
Somebody.
Yes.
Let me see. Where look somebody?
I don't know why she left the yard, so you know. Yet when she come back, you know. I Where you start? Where you come from? Where you come
Your
from?
mother?
So you sweep the yard and left the yard. Where left the yard so far? You can't deal with you, you know.
Like my mommy, Jesus Christ. So you
Can't
said
deal
you
with
serve
you.
man.
And I do not multi-place, man.
Me just a come off of the road.
Where am I coming with?
Yo,
Later don't move off here.
I will not deal with it.
What do you mean by what we are dealing with?
Put me people beat them picnic on the road.
What make people beat up a picnic?
Let me people beat them picnic.
Hello, listen to me.
People beat up on the road. Can I style that?
Because she asked me to go up on the road and she big enough so she can go up on the road. She asked me to go up on the road, so I give her the permission to go. I never know if somebody gonna beat her, but I want to catch somebody will beat her.
So I can go up on the road by myself and see a little picnic that.
What do you mean by little picnic?
See a little picnic that I make me go up on the road by myself.
But she have sense.
You know, the time when I live in.
She have sense.
She have sense, yes,
Yeah.
but the time when I live in. See, I be a predator up on the place.
But now she turn up and make somebody beat her. But she video them or something. But I want to find a person today.
And what you do when it's well at
They no beat her good. You not have no, not raise her good, you know. She not have no manners. You should have turned her upside down and tell her Larry now.
I can't you need to talk about
There's
so.
that time in the
I can't you need to talk about so. It's a whole
You know,
kid
this is how
auntie.
little king get. And you know, come home and crawl.
You want to take some of you so good? You talk about fitness, so.
It's a
Go
wicked
the
auntie
picnic
you.
with manners. She not have no manners and never gonna always beat her. Now come back here with part of
Whether she have no manners or not,
Yo,
nobody
man,
wants to put their hand on her.
You see you now.
Mark me work. You
Yeah,
know,
what's
come
up
here,
with
broke up, you know. Watch.
Remember, I'm
Me
telling
no
you,
business
watch
to
me
do, you know, car phone up with me.
You can't walk out again, you want some money from me again. Alright.
Me not forget you Friday, you know, me can't go hustle.
Everything good.
Right.
Could I cause this? I give money. You are.
So why somebody lick your daughter? All of a sudden.
Oh, me if you know, she not tell me. Just tell me to go up and I must see him and jump on him and lick him.
So what your mother do?
He might come out and look for him. He smile well lick my daughter. Right, I'm one more walk one.
Well, me must say me no know your daughter, I don't know about your life. Now if you're a woman, I don't know nobody for you. You understand?
That's true.
But anyways, I want to talk to you about something. Because you know say, yeah man, you don't want to say me have for me boy, you know. Every time I'm on the phone, when you see me, I come around and hang up the phone. I don't know why I'm hang up the phone. You can't woman you have.
You don't know.
But if you don't know that job one.
You don't know. You can't feel my question. I'm a
But
friend.
you're a man. You dey on your phone and talk, and you see a woman and come, you hang up. What you do? And any hang up, you don't want to put the phone. Me I think say you have woman, you know. You have a deep
You
feel
have a
there.
woman here, so now you that. You a woman where you have.
No, that one. You know say I go pick up him because he's a man. He might give me bone, I mean, no say he might give me bone.
Remember, say you know me, you know. You must know I love man, you know. That one I love, you know. So you see a man do, me have to respond what them want doing about.
I'm tell you.
Me know.
Alright, you see a woman now want feel problem, you should go over there and talk to them because they too walk. So if you make a little girl come from the road,
Oh, that's why you come and I murmur, say me dey on phone because you want to come out the road and chat to man.
you
And
mean?
you try to switch the blame for me. Yo, you know, so they always say woman is slate and I know me see it for sure.
I'm a friend.
You're my general, man. I'm a little friend, man. You know, if I tell me come to the situation, I'm going with me on the road. Me daughter.
Exactly.
I don't know you, so I know you.
Me don't know you
No,
neither.
not this one either, no, but you see she's no friend.
No,
A while
no,
ago,
good girl,
because
man.
he want left the yard, he come and see me on my phone, send me a chat to somebody, and run me out of the house. Run me out of the house, cause
Me?
what? Cause he want to come outside, come chat to man, cause he
No,
no,
stop
no,
it.
no,
Stop
don't
it.
say that, man.
Me
Don't
know
say
say I
that.
go back up on him on the
Now,
road.
come on over here. Me go do a slim tick over here and my daughter over there too. You
I
see
clear
me?
me, go clear me, man. You see me to the job one? He might accuse me, say my guy road and do things. He say jump, he can accuse me, he might do things that road.
But you accuse him too, so I mean,
Because me hear him on the phone with a female. Look
You
at
hear me on no
you
female
too
on the
toxic,
phone.
you know.
You hear me on no female with the phone.
He sneaking and bad. Don't watch him sneaking. Me know some of the things that road.
Yeah,
Me
but-
know me have a feeling there.
So if you know, so you that man you know. You know, say my give you bonus now, you know.
Because me not catch him yet, me not no evidence.
What?
If you don't have evidence, just let it go, man. Just let it go and let it alone.
We can just let go say them beat that upon you. We can let go that.
No call it one and beat me that for you. Come on, no, who do that?
What me wicked with?
Yeah, go over. No, me not have time for your phone. Stuff me alone, man.
Stop now! You see you come by right up on the
No,
phone.
chat to your friend. Chat to your friend.
No, me a come
You can't
on.
fix everything.
Let come on.
Yeah, man, so I can't fix everything over my yard.
I want to try to touch. Can I play?
You can't play this again.
Who tell you that?
I don't like subway surf. It's again, I can't have to know if you play.
Me can't play, you make me try.
Put this as up. See that you will lose.
Wait, I'm never touch the screen right here.
Okay, you look funny, that's why you lose.
Tap that.
Match done.
Play one other one there. No, I play Subway Surfer. Let me phone.
No, I can't do that now.
Why?
Let's go on the road.
Well, what's up if you want to go on the road?
All of a sudden, remember some walk for go.
Oh, alright. Why not work? I'm not using to prepare work.
I really said tap me from work. I must have to make money, you know.
Okay, so I'm say go on then.
You're still cheap, babes. You know that.
Alright, come on, give me go.
So I used to live good and work it. Tap me zero.
Me not don't tap me there, but I live good and Irish, I think.
Zero.
Alright.
Sure. Yeah, pass me like you don't know me.
Oh, I mean, say you want to give me one big hug.
Alright, no, but that is too hard. Remember me little bit.
You see that, man? How you heading to?
I don't want to say. I want my friend them to check up the road.
Boy, I ever see her walk go somewhere.
Because I don't like my yard boring.
What is your yard? For me, yard not boring, you can come for me yard sometime.
How where you a go?
I walk me there go.
You did a go or you still a go?
Walk me there go.
You did a go. Oh,
Walk me there go, man. So what is going on? What are you plans today?
Master, you know, so we never really had no plans just
Hello. Right now. You know, so me a beg your bills.
Because girl, you don't see me.
No, me don't see you. Me know see you mean. So why me a go ask you? Me know you don't like me. Why
Me
me
a
a go
beg your
ask you?
I execute me hungry. I give you bills. How about I take you boy?
Something. No worry yourself. Just give me the money.
No worry, no. Enjoy
Thank
yourself.
you. It's $100. No.
You don't
What
know say enough to beg.
You know him?
When you beg man money, you will get some in return.
Oh.
Yes, I'm a little niece.
Why should I deal with him? You don't have to deal with him so in front of me.
Come, go your yard. Come. Go on up. Go on up to your mother.
No, man, you don't have to deal with him so on the road.
I lie.
You don't have to deal with him. So I must say, I look up at me and you know.
She not to learn to walk and beg.
Yeah, but still, I just want to learn. I really like that deal. See? I just want to learn.
So me can get you $100.
No, you have to beg man, because when you beg man, then we beg your back things. So that's
Me
all
a
right.
big woman.
Yeah.
So if me take $100 from you and you want back something in return, obviously you can get it back.
Oh, I don't know problem with that then. So when me I'll get something.
Anytime you're available.
Alright, well me I have to go to work, so I can't now.
Alright then, just ring me bird.
I will
I'm
do
always available.
Alright, we do that. Bye.
Alright.
Big door.
No, not set something.
You can't go check this one.
Go grab one.
Ready, you know.
Then you know some dirty video want to come back on the road too, you know.
I want to go on.
You know what I know say. Me see me man a blaze here come here and say man a run from him with gun. I have to run go over with him.
Man, I run for them with gun, man, I run with gun.
Man I run him down with gun.
So kind of problem in us.
I don't know. See I stick there and stick him up.
Stick him up.
And you have to run.
Something about I post my about that.
Me no know. I don't know why he say. I may never believe him. So me come back out and say who did I run him down. Because I want to know who I run him down. And why he do.
So what
Go
kind of
on,
company?
go on.
Me there.
What kind of company you think
You know they don't know company. Walk by.
And the man miss you, that's why they want me.
What?
And the man miss you, that's why they want me.
Ah, junkie man. You know why.
No call me no junction man, me no like that man, no do that.
This is not my man. This is my friend.
Oh.
My man there yard.
Oh.
So me I say man a running down. Me I say where man turn from for the running down. That broad daylight.
you? But you have been a some come to man not running with gun.
Oh.
Me man.
What?
We a walk. Me a walk
I
up the
apply for
road.
you.
Say me a go sorry. Say me a go look for you, right? And you go tell them say me a go look for you, me now. Well, me look. I'm not missing a blaze a rocket and when I come down. Man a running down with gun.
And you know say since there yeah. Me see two girls out there so. Eh? I complain about man.
Yeah. Well, because me not complain about no. Because my man there my yard and my man not give me one. Love my man. Like I
Oh.
food.
We just wonder.
Wonder what?
We just wonder because we don't understand how women fight over man nowadays.
All that me want.
And we there so freaking high.
Nobody know want a man like a you.
You drink too much rum.
You drink too much rum. Then your nature dead.
No, without the rum, we don't have the vibes. You have to have the vibes. But when a man drink and come into him, that's where you get all the energy from the man.
No, daddy. Not all the
This.
Not all the time we do.
Not all the time. See, only way you get the energy, if you don't gotta go drink up your rum then. So you don't come back off the road now, this one so energy.
No, one after sober.
No, daddy.
So we know what we are doing.
One gone dead, the sober gone dead. And you can't go manage.
What kind of friends you have?
Don't come from my friends.
Anyway.
You see how you look now? You tell this now. You they look people. I mean, I tell you last time. Me don't want you. I got my man. My one and only man. Me something done ya so and a body ya belongs to Davi. I feel me man that. Me I still loyal to him. Cause I still loyal to me. You understand? You get it?
Oh,
You get it?
we figure to this thing is one man to you something.
Yes, one man to me something. And that's a Davi. You understand?
Yo man, me don't know you, you don't know me. You see, woman like them,
Yeah.
or regret it. They will regret it.
What me I gonna regret? Tell me what me could have regret in a life. I may have my good man in my yard. What go out and work and bring him back
Woman,
food.
shut your mouth. There's no good man on this earth.
Who tell you that?
Every man a dog, even the pastor dog himself. Every man a dog.
My father, me no dog at all, but no walk on a human being.
Is it
I'm not talking that dog. I'm not talking that dog. You know how dog would I go on road and see anything and just shot? Yeah.
My man a dog. All man a dog, right? Well, me love my little mongrel when me over my yard.
You train him well?
Very, very well. Cause you know if you don't ramp with me.
Oh.
Oh, you right out of order.
If you don't train the dog will yam out your post and your post will not be any more post again.
A madman, yeah, man. He just blasted stupid.
Where the post part talk about?
We don't know him at all about it, but anyways, me have to go down. And me can't believe that my man I do this to myself.
But you have been a some company from around with gun do. You have to just
That him I say, I no know what to do about it. You understand? Because I tell you the truth. Sometimes I feel say, I give me bun, and I no want to see it him I do, you know. But I feel say, it him I do a road. Because you see, one time we used to live loving. We used to live so loving, and all of a sudden, the least little thing is an argument. Argument 24/7, me I'm not arguing 24/7, me I'm a cuss. This not a day. But could I just in brain?
No, a man any me no.
But could I just in brain? Every morning me get up. We so live loving. We get up, we watching Netflix. We doing this, we doing that. Cut it up. No, I be argument job. But me don't know how I go in my relationship.
Boy, I have to try to fix the part of the
Me can't fix it. I only God alone. God and time. Look come up.
Hold them.
Mommy, you know, say auntie see me on the road and beat me.
Beat her for what?
Me don't know she don't beat me for no at all. She just beat me so.
She just see her beat
She see me
herself.
on the road and just
But
beat
not
me.
at all?
For no at all.
Lord Jesus Christ. You know, say, me can't deal with that sister there on my own. How much fun she there?
Up let's up me there walk go when you send me anything up let's up me there walk go and me see her and me there walk past and he come like say to me walk past him and don't say nothing to me. Mama will come grab me.
Wait till she come down here. I go and talk to her. I go and page her about it. First as somebody beat you up the road, now your auntie come beat you. Me not tell them say me don't want nobody put me their hand on me with me. Wait till she come down here. Come have a seat, wait till she come down here. Yes, you are glad you reached here.
How happened?
Where you see me picking up on the road and I beat her for?
She not tell her why me beat her.
No, she say you just see her and beat her
Oh,
for nothing.
yes, but I could have told me fool. If you just see my knees and just grab her and beat her, that makes sense. You make sure turn you in a one piece of idiot.
Me
Miss
not tell
silly
you
girl.
Me not tell you say me don't want nobody put their hand on me.
Hello. Ask what she do before you go attack me, miss. Your daughter the power road a big man $100.
Who the pan road a big man? When you see me pan road a big man.
Your daughter the power road a big man $100. Me count me
Believe her.
call her and tell her
Who
say.
you see the pan road a big man? Eh?
Me don't believe say my daughter do that.
Me scroll. I would have a scroll. Miss. Man, we can't pronounce the word good.
Say it you a liar, tell it can't pronounce it, you know see.
You see?
Where X79 place for?
Because she the come tell like for me about me there.
She
the
I
pan road
got
a
see
big
my
man
daughter road and
$100.
beat her. And I got talk say she da beg man money, that's why she beat her.
Ask her why I put my hand on her. That's the right question if you ask her. Ask her. Because I'm not going to just randomly see you no pick me and just beat
You know like
her.
her, so you
So.
go beat her.
I could have said me not have sense.
Wait
Let me
till
tell you what happened. Me up on the road. Right? This girl walk up. See this random man stop right at the man foot and I beg the man $100. So me look turn to her and say, you're not supposed to be a walk and a beg. Because you're going to beg man money and man I will give you something in return. Me wrong to say that?
You're not wrong.
Okay.
You're not wrong to say that, but
Yeah, that
me
big
never
man
did
money.
beg no man.
Okay, you said he do it for true.
Me didn't dare beg no man money. You
Listen,
can't
listen,
listen to
I
her.
say now. Remember, see you start bus burst now. And you look like a little young girl in the road now. So now you have beg no man, no money. You hear that?
But me
I
didn't
say
beg you man.
no man. And then first me hear a beg. And then first me hear a beg. Just 2 minutes until you less time them make it slide. But listen, I'm gonna do it again, man. Not ready fit, not doing something that. Here.
You need to be more responsible and be more of a mother.
Listen, I'm talking to girl. Oh, shut up your mouth.
Why? But Mr.
Shut up your mouth.
And you are a father, you know. I see if you ever play your part good, should not forget they go beg no man.
You mean I play
Oh.
the part good?
Yeah, all you there pan say weed, like weed can help you. Eh? For your friends in Outer Road constructive for do and get one good job, we are pay good. Eh?
So
Should not say beg no man.
You still at me to time come on and make you know. I see you weed, I smoke out now, stress me at the time.
But now stress you. Put on your weed. Oh.
If you put on your weed, I'm gonna mad like all the sister around there so. Can you say half mad?
How you call half mad?
Easy yourself.
Who you call half mad? You don't know see mad yet.
see.
Just tell her that to not going on my way. Tell
Who
her
da
that
go
to
in
see
your
mad.
way?
Just tell her
Who
to
da go in your way?
tell her that to stay far from me.
Don't beg nobody again.
Alright, me gone.
If you keep on beg, now you come back now to no belly, you know. You say go back through the door there. You hear sir? Yo, I want your sister matter. Something wrong?
I don't know, you know.
She take pill?
I don't know.
So it's a man.
Ask her when you see her no. Can't deal with the whole of no pain, no stress.
I'm never going to go back on the road and see me can make some money and come back. Listen to me dog, I'm not beg nobody again. You hear that? If you hear beg nobody again, I'm going to use it now, I'm going to block it on you because enough with the beg, you're a girl child. Yeah. And to me not beat you. No, you beg nobody no money. You hear that?
Hurry up and come back. And bring KFC when you come back. Go hungry.
Must cook. Rice
Me
today,
not have time
mackerel
to cook today.
Rice today, mackerel
We tired
today.
of mackerel and we me don't like mackerel and me have to force myself to eat
Yeah, I'm going to eat
mackerel.
because I eat me buy.
You better
Bring
you buy
KFC, come here, that's why the KFC
section
for me.
or
KFC,
something.
KFC there.
KFC there
Mackerel.
Then go get to and better job.
Cook mackerel, man.
You are gonna eat the mackerel.
In my home, I'm pretty every day I'm pretty.
Yeah, but they just extra special. And I if I choose something hard, that can't do with my head. But
Well,
you just feel like you're glued to it.
I don't know if I show me still.
Just me get happy too.
Yeah.
Yeah, something you don't see.
So where you going with you?
Yeah, but I can't say something happened. You know, you drive this one.
I'm not picture man. I know you tell me. I remember me that said some more, you know. You're not sure about it. Take a look at me, you're not sure. Take a look at me, you're not sure. Anytime you see me sure this after the day. Sure this after the day.
Alright, so you want? You want me to look at girlfriend then?
I don't know, be a girlfriend, I want to be a woman. Alright. So where we are going? Where are we going?
Yeah, you like chill pops around the beach. You can't swim.
We can go chill pops. Not like the beach.
You can't swim.
No.
wish you could have do it again.
It can't happen every time. So this is the first official date.
So you are gonna yeah.
So we can't carry me out. So we can't carry me out. Babes, you know, so me have hot man for you. Sorry. We can't come.
Call me.
Why you are
Come
running?
on. Man, I run me down with you. Come on.
Me.
Can't believe
Oh,
it.
you mean? Wait there. Why we are run again?
Yeah, you're someone that run me down with gun.
You don't believe that?
So we're on fighting I believe.
Come and see her run, babe. Why am I running with gun? Where the fuck say you go this morning?
No, me I go.
So am I running with gun?
So me don't know them a try run me. I'm run left them.
Me need to go see them and then
Go on. Cause you make out the iron. Go on, I make them.
Oh, my running with gun, babe.
Go on, go look. Why you come like that?
Yeah.
Brother, you just never upset sometimes. You see man I run me down, you have to ask me.
Me never see no man be a you, me see them run.
Go on out the door, go looking for see them.
You mad.
You ask
Mad
me,
be,
oh,
you
man
mad.
I run me down. But tell us, man I run me down. You
Why time be?
don't need what time.
Why time I know? Look where you and tell me the time.
3:52.
3:52, what time you leave her?
I live up 3:40.
Be to the actors, I 5 o'clock I left work.
It's level 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock work over today.
Now what on a day of the work, how me feel left work 5 o'clock?
How me don't know that? Cause me wonder where you do perfect man I run on that day by time yeah.
Brother, everything you take a ton problem. Me tell us a man I run me down. Yeah, go on outside, go look for them.
Me fi go to look for them?
Yes.
You sure say that man I run on? You sure say the man I run for rob you?
Alright. You see if like how me not sure, you go to the door and go find
Oh.
out. You
Me don't want to go for you cause I have to come back and lick you over.
You know, me I go there. I swear to God, you better.
Where you come back in the yard?
Brother,
Come back in the yard. Every time you want to go road, every time we talk about something, you pick up yourself and want to go road.
Everything you chat about is a problem.
It's not the problem it's because you don't have that feeling that say when somebody does something on the road, and that feeling that you give me. But man around with gun, why if I saw the man around with gun for rob you? When they gonna rob off of you, you not no money. Tell me how they gonna rob you.
So what you are trying to say? So you are saying a lie me I tell.
Yes, no man couldn't, we shall turn up. Me too fool, we shall turn up and look for the man around, make them analyze me.
So why am I there?
Me don't know why you run. Why you there run? What you trying to do? Lose weight? Me a talk.
Look half on me. Look half on me. You see what's like I sketch your roadside I chat to man.
I know me man, I'm a friend.
I say about you tell us I'm picking looking all sort of fool and it's like it.
Mommy, I tell you truth.
Brother, look half on me.
Please,
Look
stop,
half on me. Look half on me.
You see, all of a sudden you do something. Then normal them are something you do it and now. You don't see a change? Me now move. I'm going to say if you go and move because you normally gallant all of a sudden you're gallant so.
Sometimes it doesn't sad.
How me make you sad?
You tell us a man I run me down, man I check me, yo.
Me make my man run and check me out.
Feel sometimes, brother.
Man can run down you and trip me because once they look where they're afraid of you. So you are temper, you see no what?
I'm sad, dog.
How make you sad?
I'm sad.
Me stand up on road?
Sometimes I serve me there with you.
You say there with me, you don't go yellow left then? Yellow left. Stick and tell you if it's true. If it's man run up on road, like when man run up on road. Me go and know up here what place me I go.
Come run me down now. Gunshot.
Yeah. Who make up on say now?
Yes, no, there are things I'm going to say. There are certain things.
I think no.
I'm always no problem. I'm not like that.
You know, wash it up, you know.
You know, wash them good. Come like a tap use if I bruise. But when I say, I'm always no problem. I'm not
That's true.
I don't like that. I don't do things, but most of the time, it's how you do things.
How me do be?
You ever find a least thing before.
Alright, no.
If you dumpling in a boil long enough, you don't feel too soft.
No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
You release it in your possible. And I try to remain calm, but some of the time,
Like I say, I regret say, baby. Me feel that way.
You tell someone I run me down for take my life. Yeah.
Sorry, B, just look at me and say, why am I going to look fine and run on down? You think all I road.
I tell someone time I just regret saying, but me sorry for all I think from the come now someone not perfect.
Yeah, I'm sorry, so I'm sorry for you to accuse you.
Yeah, me wrong time.
No, I'm telling you. I promise after today, I'm going to argue with you. I'm trust you say you're already and I don't know the road.
Because now,
Cross me heart, I trust you.
alright. So because of this, you know, I give some more.
Can I give him session?
Some man like me there 100, that's why I'm not something.
Alright. I make you go up on the road, clean after you.
Where you going? You come back and get you a surprise, okay?
Alright, I'm sorry for you for everything I'm talk about. Yes, how long are the line?
Alright.
Bye-bye. Yeah, we're for you.
Alright.
Make it some cool breeze.
What on?
Yeah, I'll be a job.
No, where I go?
So I don't make mother yard and go do.
What do I?
I even give up for Valentine's Day.
You think I give you a bring for me?
Oh, my baby, I'm also fear gift different. I told her it Valentine's Day, I'm going to get mother now, so I have to give her this.
Oh, so you could buy two something, you buy one something.
I don't know what problem that, but no make time, man. Make up with your hair.
Anything else, yes, I want to like to come over.
You plan to come over? When you plan to invite me?
Anytime you're ready.
I'll go right now.
But you say I can't give good, you're going to say I can't come right now.
You have a pan. You have a pan. Sorry, now give me my little then.
Alright then, so I'll make a see you.
Just give me anytime, man. After I give me this, I'm going to get it.
Alright, just call me when you're gearing. Later, I go for you.
Alright. Baby, I'll put rose in your head. How should man put rose in your head?
Jesus. God, I was possessing. You're not even greet me.
Who put rose in your head? What kind of creek you?
Your mother.
Oh. Good morning. How are you doing?
Me alright so far. Oh, what, I'm finished?
No, babe, you know, self and mother don't want to
I lie. Oh, so you're not giving me no gift and I did yesterday evolution.
Who give you rose?
Me just tell her who give me a well.
And your mother give you a rose and me I'll give mother something. So I just go around, everybody mother gets something, everybody mother gets something. I'm also good.
Alright then, come, me I call you go to your mother, come.
No, because you know somebody don't like her. That way I do, man. But somebody don't know where you are.
I lie.
No, mother don't know where you are. And you don't like her, you're a Christian. But you have to be piercing now, so you have to take out the first time. You need to look
Nothing wrong with that.
No, my mother don't like it.
Me can't take them out. They can't always take out and go
no,
in back.
babe, but me no want to ruin it.
Come.
No, baby. Alright, tell her. Hold on, man. We link you back for them. But me can't make you meet them. Because I'm going to link you back for them one day I give me. Yeah. We can't carry on. Go on. When me I go be here now?
What do you? Oh God. Oh God. What do you be?
Yes.
Me not see the gift be.
Yeah, you have to listen me I walk, I come down, after me go from my yard, we give them. My mother yard, we give them. Can't believe have them up there. So I believe me I walk, I come down. He said, sit a man there, run me down. Jump out a bush and say, hey boy, you think you know, say, you run from over there, pop out knife and have me and me throat some, and say, hey, give me everything you have, babes. Yes, me say me never feel so scared in my life.
Wait. Come again another year then. Where's Sam?
Babes, man, they take a gift, they take everything.
Come another one, because that one not function right, take the
You
function.
know, so you take me for an idiot.
Come on, come, talk to them, talk to me.
Make every time you tell us something bad happen, you just take me for an idiot. I want to lie.
Because we can't really say you, Dabby Dan, go on road and make man a... Do you, sir?
Let me ask you something. Me look like me out of iron.
No?
You think if one man shot me, I go survive?
Yeah?
I don't think so. I don't want to find out neither.
Me not understand every time you go on the road. See, big Valentine's Day. I didn't get anything. Me not get nothing. Right? Me not complain, don't say nothing at all. You come now, you tell me say you have gift, you know. If you never tell me, no. If you just left out of the yard and go, you know. Because me hear time people tell me, say, "Man, give me something," and they don't give me nothing. Man see you and take away the gift. Eh? Every time man I run you down, they might run out, what they pay you? Stop with the color me wear then. Probably that. Every time man I run a done, over and over and over and over. Why? Why? You're looking at me eye them. Why?
Yeah. Every time, you know, since I see him sitting in your house ball last time, I know, so I'm not going to argue with you.
No,
every time bad things happen to me, you're not sorry for me, and I realize you don't want me.
Sorry for you.
You're not sorry for me. You're not sorry for me. Don't tell me a lie to me. You're not sorry for me.
Me can't say if you don't feel say the things are road. How man fear run on you? Last year no man never run a done. The year before that no man never run a done.
Last year you turn up a roadside attack to man. You know?
And last year that be? And last year what year? I'm tell you I'm a friend. Friend!
You think me an idiot?
No, you think me an idiot?
You think me just born with a big head, not true?
No, you think me just born with a big head? How man fear run on you?
How you turn up a roadside with man?
Me I explain to him about money. We have to about money transaction.
And me I run and to escape from them to save my life. You're not sorry for me, bro. You're not sorry for me, you know. I'm telling you, you're not business boy, you're only business boy yourself. You say Valentine's Day, me not give you nothing for Valentine's Day. Why you give me Valentine's Day?
You never give me anything, so you don't expect nothing.
That me I tell you, you don't give me nothing, so you don't expect nothing. And me go out of my way, and say me I get one gift to try to keep the peace. Because some man stick me or push knife on my throat. Nearly kill me. And what? You're not sorry for me, you're not say if you're alright. You're not ask how I feel.
Fuck me, you cannot do.
But nothing. You're not business about nobody but yourself. And that wrong with you. You don't think. You're not think.
I'm sorry.
Me don't want to sorry for you.
Me believe
Go
in
in my house. Me don't want to sorry for you. I want to sorry for you.
Which one I go?
Go in your house. Why no matter what me do for my life, just solve.
Yeah, so you carry the gift go give mother? You carry it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. So when me I go see her again? The day after tomorrow? Alright then. Make sure, you know. Make sure. Yeah, later. Oh Lord. Where you come from?
Sis, how you feel pin out the baggy them in the way? Me have to walk underneath it.
Yeah man? You no crutches you have?
I don't business me head just supposed to feel go underneath no drawers. Anyway.
How where you get gift from? How you give?
My man.
Which man?
What you mean
So
which
them
man?
gift they look so familiar. I could have swear my sis married with them gift there.
I
So them
like.
I care go give them mother. Who gave gift? Which man?
Me just
How you
say my
look?
man. What you mean how you look?
Yeah, describe him to me.
No, me can't describe my man to you, girl. When the right time come, we'll introduce him to you. But for now, no.
No man, me have to go call back that person there and ask him. Cause them the gift they look too
Stop
familiar.
how you look. Why word be? How you? That word there, I know the word we are talking about. Hello, me I can't go in. You alright?
Alright, let me try ring back that person. Yeah.
Hold on, me tell you right here.
You don't see the rain there fall and say, remember say I don't like
Me
my
call you before rain even come down.
Yeah, but see like it's sky down, rain and beers, me no water.
Oh, you smile so.
I mean, I look upon you, and I look in your eyes and see back myself, so I have to smile.
Look at my eyes and I see back here.
Yeah.
You put that too much sweet talk. Anyways,
that's what you like.
where you go?
You will call me to me, go. You call me over
Yeah,
here.
come here.
I want to go right here, sir. What go right here, sir? Girl, why you talk to my man?
Yeah. You
Why you talk to my man?
Oh Lord, you're
Why
not
you
have a
talk
baby
to
father
me,
to
sister?
attend to.
Yeah, baby father.
You're
What
not
you do with my
you're not
man?
have a baby father to attend to.
What does that do with you?
Yeah, baby father there.
Yes, you all will live at 1 yard in
yeah,
the same house.
So you animal?
I'm a bigger sister.
What you talk to
When
my
are
sister?
Who want who there?
What you mean by one?
She has said what me I do with her man, so me have to ask if you are not there. You are not there?
Allah
Nobody
ya
hear me and your goat.
Alive.
Nobody hear me and your
Allah
goat.
ya tell. I sister this is true.
Oh, so that's why when we see you with gifts, and you buy the gift
What
gear.
kind of gift?
The same gift when we see you with it, tell me say your mother you go give.
Me don't know about that. Me don't know
Wait.
about that.
Come up.
Me not understand. Me
Relax.
not want you so. You go to your mother gift. Who give you gift?
My man.
Which man? Where man there?
The man that righteous. so. You can't be here, man, girl. Hello, you're not a baby father to attend to. You're not a baby father to attend to. Where you take my man for? Where you take my man for? Hey, are you cause this?
No, come talk.
Are you cause this? No. Where you take my man for, girl? Where you take my man for? Girl, where you take my man for? Where you take my man for, girl? Yo, hey! Let me get Brinkley! Get Bringo! You're not my baby father! Girl! Every man you want! You're just a jump! You're pum to the other heat! You're not my baby father! No! Go to your baby father! You say you go to your baby father! I'm not listening me now! I'm not listening! And that me say! Where you run? Hey girl! What you say? Oh my God, you're so... Watch out! Watch out! Alright, come inside me, come on, Viper. Watch you now. The girl, why get my man? What? I share my baby father. The girl, she too bright. No girl can't take my, look at me, the girl run gone. All the sister, come here. Listen to me. No girl can't take my man. I could have my sister, I could have my mother. No girl friend, nobody shall beat her more. The girl have her baby father, you know. I want to go beat me over the little man when me find on the roadside. How much man that now? Me say, girl, I saw me and my little man to me and my little man and my yard but any day, me buck her with all one girl, a girl then. Me not nobody come and come and my sister, you know. Me never want mother. I could have my mother, me and my mother would have to fight it out. And I saw me take and bust up her face, me don't know fist fight, you know, girl. Oh, what you say, man? And then next thing too, I am man, you should have been. Where am I look at sister from? But you want to look at dark shit, man, you know. Them a man, you're dark. But you know, just say I'm fit talking God for my man, what they are. All every day, me accusing me, know you know, I'm just look calm it. Every time I see my little wash pan. The what? Me wash pan. Sometimes. Can wash out sometimes. Because sometimes I get too. Alright. Anyways, girl, me don't know about just the fact. You tell me, girl, where are you? You can call me Amanda. Alright, me name Kayla. Yeah, friend. I want to keep friend about it. You look like I want a warrior. You will fight for your man. Because somebody was a girl, my man, you know. Good, me your friend. Give me your number, woman. Somebody on phone. Alright. I mean, if done the road, they can come me out sometime. What exactly? Alright, you know, the Peter there, so? Cross your friend there, so? I don't see it. Yeah, you know, the board out. I want 2, 3 that. We will find you. Alright. You know, live together? Yeah, me and I live together. Just go piss in a some bucket and dash in her eye. I'm no one playing me now. Alright. Me?
Yo.
I have a piece of toy if you tell you what they make up on the road.
What?
You know what I say? Why they make up on the road? It's the 2 girls fight over, man. Yes.
2 girls? Where them girls come from?
Me know where they come from. Me don't know them tell what. But the parents of me a walk. When me they walk, what they?
No, I listen to the same story.
When me they walk, you know, you know, say me kind of enough look a bit. Say to them, why some me apart them, I'm ask. The other one is Amanda, me know her name Amanda. I say, what am I fight for?
You know her name?
Yeah, come in our town friend.
Your name a friend?
Yeah, me Amanda town friend. Because the girl can't fight. I say, girl, what you and her fight for? Her sister. Her sister take her man. And I say, no girl named girl can't take my man. I said, me tell her. What happened?
I know nothing, man. Yeah, you see girl like them, they and them not to be no friend. Because if them a fight at roadside, that embarrassing. I know I have for a girl like them, Kayla. So right now,
no man, me and a friend can go teach her
Kayla.
how to fight for man and how to fight another girl again. Because them a girl nowadays love take people, man.
Stop me and son, man. You know, say you and them type of girl is different. But that's my opinion as a boyfriend. Because if in the roadside a fight with other girl, I said something, you can carry your name a roadside and I try to do everything. And you know, it's so bigger than that. So, me personally feel say enough you and them enough different. Might be high and by, might be. If you see him, might be you say hi. And that even enough to won't even do that. But me not enough cut him off.
What you know? When me get you find out, say, guess how the girl I'm a fight? You want a sister. You can't believe that?
Yeah, that me show you. Me cut him off, man. Yeah, you don't need to be no friend.
But you know, me I tell her, say, if I ever my mother me see, and my mother take my man, me I beat my man. She make a girl get it, she that beat the girl more.
How you fit pick up girl where you fight their sister?
If you and him are just friend, you and him are not even blood, when would I do to you? If my fighting sister and I set you up,
No, you know, say me a mad girl long time, and no girl can't think me about come fight me. I idiot.
Sit down. Yeah, yeah, talk. Don't need to get loud. What me I say? Bro, you and him don't need to be friends. That's how me think.
Me all want him to do so too.
You and him don't need to be no friend, my youth.
So you back to me hands up.
Cause you're proud idiot, my youth. Me not like this.
Oh, she idiot. Fight over a man, so I'm gonna fight over you if nobody take you.
You idiot.
No.
If you fight over man, you have papers, man.
Me have papers to you. Remember say me license you. Don't me dig up your bed bottom for the paper.
You have papers for her, man.
Female I'm a fight over? You don't think so come here, say the man have you man.
Sing not tapping nice them care, you and them people don't need to mix. You and them don't need to mix.
Remember say we don't
You
have
and them don't need to mix and mingle. And that me a talk about. And that me a talk about. You and them don't need to mix and mingle. Oh girl if you fight a roadside now you want on friend with girl. You idiot. I mean I say.
I'm not a friend, I'm not a friend.
You don't need no friend. Friend ain't nothing. You know what friend you know what friend spell? F-R-I-E-N-D. That's an N. That means you don't end your life. You have no friend, no need to be.
So you are a friend.
Single friend.
What the people?
What me a friend? What do you make a show with friend and chat a roadside, say bow and chat bow beat pitney. Me make you slide. No, you want more friend. Friend a low friend thing, man.
Me can't
Low friend thing. Friend not good for you. Friend put a knife in my back and me still not recover. Me a tell me a try one if you want good. Yeah, you see girl war roadside with your sister and you want one friend with them.
You know what I say? I call for my mother. They take me man. Me a warrior. You want that me a go on the road too. Later. So come back.
We can't believe you got embarrassed up on the road.
Me embarrass you? Me embarrass you? And you come and fight me over man. You never know a man from Adams. Eh?
You don't have a baby father.
What does that have to do with now?
You don't have a baby father. You don't have a baby father to take care of your kidney.
Hello, mommy. And what kind of style is? You don't good for no in the cuss over man. What kind of man that you know?
Hello.
Me hear no more.
Yeah, big man. Come on, to big people argument, man.
I say you
Come out the house.
You can't
Fire
make it better.
window. That's too enough, man. Anyway, back to you now. What you mean? You come and fight me over, man. I'm tell you something, I look, man. I'm tell you some big father that go out with nothing. Fight me for the little piece of man. I never know if the man have a woman or not. But you know, kill up yourself.
I want him to tell you, I'm not going to let him.
How you get give? How you meet? Have you see the man first? I mean, no, because tell you about him, man, you know.
You're going to tell you about him, man. You're going to tell me about him, man, of course. You did describe him to me? No, you did not. You
don't matter. You could find another man. You could find another man.
First of all, we never know say I got the man that you text in which me know but me not left him.
What do you mean you not left him?
He stutter when me talk.
Girl, I forgot to find one different man. I now go work.
If
you not left him, me I go find somewhere put you out. You have to go find somewhere to go.
Girl!
You have to go, you can't Tanya if you don't want him.
I lie.
Alright. Let me see you back
I want
with him.
to see you put me out.
Let me see you back with him. You know what? I'm going to go up the road. I'm going to go up the road left you. Let me see you back with him. And if me see you with him,
yeah, we have to tell my lecture. Stop lecturing now, go on. Chat too much, man.
Since when my mother pick up one dirty style.
you know to your mother pick up now.
Fight over man, him and his sister. Two sisters they fight over the same man.
Yeah, like that.
My mother claims that she first get him and then my auntie say she first get him. And me sure not say when me there.
Well, yeah, look up with that big people argument, yes.
Other side they run late and see that's why me walk come out. But say me and a big man, me don't feel enough up in their argument.
That's a true still, but what they want to do is wrong. They cannot cuss and fight over a man around you and he's a child, he's a young child.
And then
probably that's why you don't have no manners. Your parents them are not being a parent, they're being a child. Nowadays child I have child and that's not right. All you have to do, hold up your head high. And why you just so?
My head they high.
Why me just so? Hold up your head
Yo,
high.
my company road
Make your mother
some
proud.
batty right dance. No, mama dress so. Me a gangster, you know see.
You know gangster, I feel that is a young beautiful lady. Well as me I say now, don't follow your mother and fight over no man. Don't fight over man, you hear?
Anyways, me a beg her bills.
Me have a little money can give you. Here.
Awa.
When people get things, you have to say,
Thanks.
No, give me this. Give me this. When people get things on the road, you must always say thanks.
Me never remember my manners at the pine. They threw me in the chat like say me your size. That's why I never to remember that.
You're incorrect. You know what size? Me is no size. I'm not giving them my money and I know manners and no respect for people. You see, a couple minutes ago, me think say they manners, they don't have no manners. You
Have
me need
manners.
no. Me need to have a word with all your mother, you know. Because your mother is a blasted idiot. You
Thank
have
you,
him
Daddy,
picnic. First thing you do, you have him picnic the big pan roadside.
Mm-hmm.
Secondly,
In the fight over man.
you want to fight over man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you see. Your mother, if you raise her right, you don't have a father, you don't have nobody present in your life. No big somebody. You're not adult. No adult in your life.
No, all the day. They
Listen
two.
to me, no manners. As long as you see me, on a road, yeah. You know, if you don't sit, no, prefer not call to me, because you see, if you see me on the road, have manners and respect, listen to me.
Some of just have manners and respect. Me
No,
call
I
to
told
you.
you did want beg something. True, you did want
So?
beg something. Now, compare to little girl. Make I tell you this. Me and you is not size.
Oh,
You're a little
You
pitney.
pay me for every drop you back.
Pitney. You're a little 14-year-old.
And you are
You're
much
forced ripe.
20, 17.
You're too force ripe.
No, sir,
You're
answer
too
by
force
me.
ripe. Go on up. You're too force ripe. You're too force ripe.
And come me tell you this. Here with the money here.
Go on
Here
where
with the
you go.
money,
Go
me
on where you
have
go.
all
Before I knock you over. Force right now. Because money do not take something now, not something before time.
Little girl already there.
Me go to the river look something to eat.
When me may go pan the road go look same feet. Have me figure do there sitting
I
there.
used to go do it, but you're in the cuss with me auntie over man.
So when I say, me tell you if you go out there, so me never tell you if you left your yard.
One.
But me never tell you if you left your yard.
But me take it away there and left yard.
Go in the kitchen, go wash up the plate then. Me
The
go
plate
up
them
the
wash up
road.
already, remember wash up
Fine,
the
sing
this
in the house.
morning.
Me I go up the road to go look something for Niam. Alright.
Okay,
And I
look
left the yard again. Hi, hello. Hello. Where you move so fast I go?
You know, so I sit me out there with on the road, why free?
So you know hear me a call you, you just a ignore me so.
Oh, no, not like that, man. I told me, no, I look for you good on the road. Oh, go on.
You need to talk to you about it you know.
I need to talk to you, too. You look so
Ka-
nice. Oh, you look so nice today.
Not tell me that man, me need to understand what going on between you and my sister.
What do you mean, what go on?
Yeah, because other day you say, you go give care gift go give your mother. And me think say I'm me that go give it him say your mother you give. When me look, and my sister have it. You know, so what am I for pop up a girl? Cause she take you. What you and her have?
What me and him have?
What that mean want to know?
What me and him now have nothing yet? Baby, your sister.
So how she end up with the gift?
Let me tell you. Alright, let me start from the very top. Baby, your sister want me. But I don't want your sister. You see me? Sometimes you see me and I ask her for a gift and too, me look hungry and something. And it's like my beg me and something and I don't want to look nowhere. So I just give him. I take care of me give him. I want to let me give him. And he take away that too. But I think no one get the other too.
But I know gift for Niam. I know food for Niam.
No, I think you take care and sell it. You don't know what you want to do. But baby, think about it really good. Oh, if you want your sister and I already have you and me not really want to say me know who more beautiful, but me sure say are you. So me feel give boy.
I don't know.
You ever get
But I don't like when I see her going with my sister, you know.
Baby, just loud that out, man. Tell her what you do. Ignore your sister.
But all this morning, I see her over there and me and her have cussing her and she said she not left, you know. Come tell her say I go and put her out if she still a take you.
Man, tell her what you do. Just ignore your sister, man. You can't just live loving her. You see,
You can't go live loving into her if
of
she want
course,
to take you.
no, man.
No,
just, no,
you're
man.
not going to work in my house.
Tell her what you do, no, man. Just love out your sister. You see, if I mention my name, you just have to forget my name. So your sister have to take my sorry. Maybe you shouldn't even sit right on me off you. I feel weird. See, you mention that to me. Oh, your sister have to take me from you.
You better make sure, because of you more,
No,
and
you
you
more
are going to be
too.
mine.
You want me to try?
Of course, more too.
You know,
But if
already
something
have
like this happen again, you're not going to like
This
it.
will never happen. As a matter of fact, this shouldn't happen. But say partner, I try a partner, you know. But true, you well want to beat your sister. Yeah, push me down and something. And then show me say like police, we are run come and something. Me have to run left, you know.
Because when me ignorant, you know, what's me see her with gift?
Adapt me and see, sweetheart. But don't worry about it. That will never happen.
Make sure not happen again.
Alright, come to my house. Come and come and see. Alright, come here.
Alright.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, I free.
No, I'm there, no.
I'm there now. Do something. I can't see you today.
You want to see me today?
I want to see you right now.
Alright. May I come?
Alright. Meet me at food house spot.
Alright.
Alright. Might be here today. Babes. Babes.
Yes, sir.
Don't you?
I feel good.
I'll walk on the road then.
Okay.
So for a man, you know, feel good. So I wake you up and tell us if I can make you back sleep. I'm going to need to make it. So when I get something to eat on the road and do the local business around an hour time or something, I come back here.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man. What you say you had today, babes?
Maybe long roads after that.
That's nice.
Can't put it in influence. But different other stills. You know, so I just wake up and have you on my mind. I may have some more spend a day with you. I don't know if that's possible.
Yeah, man, that's possible. So where you want to go?
I don't know. Probably we could have take a walk up on like the beach or something.
That's really romantic.
Yeah, I'm trying to be romantic. You have to be romantic with that current lifestyles and all sorts of it. But I just want to look up, walk on trip. I don't know if you're interested.
Of course. Come to go.
Then after that, my can come over here and
Over my head.
yeah.
Yeah, you can come, yes.
So perfect then. Alright, come on. Now when we're there on the beach, man usually they will serve party and sit and now we can take time to eat. Like party babes.
Yeah, man, I love patty.
Come for break too.
Yeah, more cheese patty.
I get 2 of them too.
Alright.
Hey, girl, you don't learn. You don't learn, not true.
You mean by me?
What you do yourself with me, man?
I know you're a man, I'm my man.
Girl, this again.
Lord, give me. What you do yourself with me, man?
I'm my man. I didn't tell you that from before.
Oh, yeah, you. Which one are you there with?
Ladies, it's 2 hours. You need to stop doing this.
I lie.
A roadside, you need to cut out them style.
Oi! You need to stop this.
What you mean by? Where you go? Where you go? Where you want to
Hey,
do?
girl, move.
Don't ramp with me now. I'm not tell you say I'm my man.
Well, in this case, I too a woman.
I'm my man.
Yo, stop.
What you mean?
Yo, stop with this. Stop with this.
Yeah, you.
You know say you forgot come out of my house. You forgot come out of my house, you know.
Nobody with that. Yo, let me talk. Cause every minute you don't come on road and I load up in the mouth. Go on over there, sir.
This one, man.
Stop your nice. Me soon deal with you. Hold
Like I
on.
told you.
Oh.
Tell you this. Go on over there, sir. Go on. Stop. Stop war with her now. You must ask you more. How money may I take from you? You call you beautiful. You get some money and you can live with your good too.
I like you, I tell you.
Baby, stop. You are with girl from her road. You are that.
I'm sister that didn't.
It no matter.
What do you mean it no matter?
Stop war with girl from her road. Y'all lay up my thing, y'all lay up a sister thing, and most importantly, y'all lay up my thing again. Me not even business about you. That me a talk about. Yes, just stop. Please, my bigger. Just stop the foolishness. You can do that for me. Go on.
You know when you come out of there. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Think about it. Go on. Don't come back neither.
You talk to her.
Yeah, that's me I tell you, man. Me I
Oh,
tell you, left you alone.
better. Oh, cause any she see me again, she have to go left my house and make a mash up her face.
Yes,
Oh.
Yes, no like ain't sitting here, man.
Are you a cause I like to,
Oh,
you know?
my cause. You don't see me running my yard. Me I tell you.
Cause if you never give the girl no gift, she do what I talk about she want and this and that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Me never want none of this to happen. But when people ask me for things, my heart just say no. I come like in love with me now, like you looking at me here.
But you see when you come on to me, you have to tell everybody else no. Alright. And I make it happen again, you know.
Sorry.
Don't make it happen again.
Not happen again. You still can go beach.
Come.
Alright.
You don't know my sister with here.
Mm-hmm.
Miss, she's still enough for herself.
I like that tell.
Huh? Me just here with my man and
I like that tell.
me look like me I tell lies. Girls, me not have time for your background
I
and
know your
tell
man,
lies.
mama. I could never hear man. If I hear man can never
Anyways.
paradise a woman.
I want you to teach me how to do. Where were them?
What we do?
Karate.
Karachi.
Yeah, girl.
I will teach you Karachi so you know how to kick down your sister because it come like see the
Yeah,
ramp with her.
because...
Because like the beat the way you give her never work.
No, it never worked.
After that, mama. I tell my boyfriend boy yesterday,
yeah,
much about Riri and Tate and Lily. I tell me I have a friend.
Mm.
So you're my new friend. See tomorrow when you come link me. Meet me up at the when you go up there up on the hilltop. Straight up on the hilltop, man. Way up way up on the hilltop. Tomorrow morning, bright and early. Just up and come for learn how to do Karachi. Because I know Karachi, mama. I'm a real bad girl fight. I come from the ghetto.
Alright then.
You understand?
Yes, what time if you meet you?
When I 10 o'clock, when I wake so early, I have to cook my man breakfast, send him go work and something. So,
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Come prepare, no come here no battery rider, no
No,
come here no
it's
dress,
what-
come here no short shorts, come here something like this here. You know?
Alright.
Learn Karachi.
And
Come
something
not
like-
understand.
Alright.
Me not understand, oh your sister take care of me. You know that thing about it too? The man have no shame and no passion. The man is a
That's the
very
thing.
dog. Man a dog and drunk around corrobate, but I love my pitbull when they are in my yard. And if you control the dog, use one leash and tie him up.
You look like that me have to go do come. I don't understand.
Cause
I don't understand.
you want your
Anyways,
man. Yeah, for sure.
we shall get that.
Yeah. But me ask you a question, come here. Why you look for your sister and look for you? What you have with your sister now have? Probably underneath in a good Somali. I have to teach you how to grip up down there so properly too. More teach you that too.
Alright
Yeah,
then.
cause you know me.
I don't understand what is the problem. What is
I don't have a problem under your mama after that. Where you come from?
Come from off the road. And tell some help on the road.
You tell me say you go on the road from this morning.
Why you get
And you
load?
say you take 1 hour time.
So I can get load.
Because it's my motor. You tell me say you take 1 hour more than an hour pass. Supposed to be the email and drop on something to do.
Nothing not happen to you. Nothing not happen to you. So,
However, me I say to you say, you go on the road, you go do the business. Right?
yeah.
Where you go on the road, tell me.
What you want? If you tell me help on the road, get it because you don't make a pack soup. I mean, I deal with some business.
So me they can't tell me business we go deal with them. Maybe they
Because,
go
you
deal
know,
with them.
because if one of my friends, I know my business, you tell her. I don't like me can't tell us my business. For my business, I would tell her. But you just let me help them deal with all of something. Maybe when it comes to and everything good, I can't explain to you, but I can't tell her right now.
Okay, I believe. But anyways, me walk up Amanda to the road.
Kayla, you know, listen to me somehow you.
And yesterday when I go to see him, when I said I got to her road while ago, I did not prolong any argument with them. I'm not doing any argument. I'm talking with my inside voice. And Amanda saying, seeing sister with the man again. So tomorrow morning, if you don't see me in the yard, I'm going to teach Manda Karachi so you can beat his sister. And I asked me if I can go teach Manda. I tell me to say I go teach Manda.
Yeah, no respect for
I
me.
can't make no care, you have no respect neither. Go
No
back on
respect
the
for me.
road.
Yeah, no respect for me.
You have respect. You left out of the house from morning. Did you tap for things and call or check up on me?
You know
No, you did not.
You alright, you know. You see
Me very alright. You see me
start,
no
when you
Bible.
start doing things that way accuse me of call me, I tell
No, did I accuse you now?
Tell
Was
us.
I accusing you
No,
now?
me no in an argument.
You come like say you attacking you. Did I accuse you now?
Me no argument with you. Me no in an argument with you.
There's no argument with you. Me just simply tell you something.
After I fuck me, I'll go for the road.
You know, go on. Oh, don't leave your phone because I might lock the door. I know what do you.
That's why I'm going to catch you. Listen to me now. Now I go up on the road and deal with something. So I want you to stay in the house. And I want to come back, I not see you. Because I realize say I get full of road, you know. You come like some road take a rig. So I don't want you left the yard. Alright. You go up on the road and deal with something. And make sure you tidy up the place. Oh.
she gone.
Road.
So, why my room look like this?
I don't know. Are you? Me see actually my mother can't go on the inner so.
Little girl, it's when I talk to me, put anger for your talking, yeah?
Which
You
one?
shut up! You figure to me, auntie. Anyways, me never gonna like lecturing with you, cause me say you not have no manners enough. I'm not have to turn upside down and beat you. Me tell you in an answers here.
You feel like
Anyways,
last time?
get to work. Get to work. No matter what, I come back here so in so look so. Anyways, we are going up on the road. That's why me can't like you, you know.
Me don't like it.
Me don't know how
Me
your
don't want
parents
it to
know
like
you
me.
so.
Oh, and you be grass on me.
I don't like a boom on the body.
Stringing at you.
You know what I'm
Shape bad life.
We want to talk about something.
I want you to talk about.
So why are myself and your memories about man?
You want to talk to me about?
What we are going to talk about what happened yesterday.
Yes, I accept your apology. I forgive you.
I did not apologize for long. I did not hear say I'm sorry about what come out of my mouth.
So, what you want to talk about?
We are talking about what happened yesterday.
Wow.
Yesterday I told me I go, Amanda, and how you seem to have a problem.
Yes, that's true.
What problem you have with me and Amanda? Like, maybe understand. You know when the girl talk. What problem you have with me and Amanda?
I don't feel comfortable with that. I may explain that to you, and it's like, you know, have no regard for my feeling. I tell us I'm feeling one way about them. I just want to do whatever.
You feel a way about Amanda. I don't even know Amanda. How you going to feel a way about
You know
Amanda?
enough about her if you know. So I know.
How you know? Tell me how you know.
How you feel friends somebody with a fight and sister upon the road and you want to take them to friend. And that's something could have fight upon the road too. If your sister when you grow with from him born, you know your sister long before you know you and you want to keep
What
them
is
friend.
sister take you, man? Anyways, why you cook for dinner?
I don't feel like the conversation is going away.
You're not going to
I really think we have nothing to cook. I really don't get.
More turkey neck. But because you don't eat turkey neck, 2 pack gaffy go cook. I must say today I hear day. So more turkey neck. Yeah, so buy 1 pound of turkey neck and 1 pound of chicken face.
Alright, no problem then.
But we go on the road.
Enjoy yourself.
Kiss on like you make so.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Go on the road. I don't know talking to you.
Bye.
Yo, carry my phone from the man.
What did I so long, man?
Sorry to make you wait for long. We have some business to do with that.
I think I said I'm making someone.
Me a teach you karate. Can you make girl take your man? Mama, I know me a learn karate. Yeah, you a learn it. I will tell you I demonstrate something to you. So hold on. I don't want to spray my phone when you can't afford it. Tell them about this side there.
Hello, Mama. Me never call you up yourself to kill me.
Mama, I teach a karate. Supposed to sister hold us so I have to show you how to get away. Now demonstration. When I hold you like this, what must you do? Show me that thing you do when I hold you so. Tell me let it go now.
I don't know what that's why I asked.
You see, eat that like a uno. Eat that like a uno. People on the so soon. You can't do that, Mama. Tap on me. Let me show you. Don't tap on foot too hard, you know. Okay, now.
Oh, like this?
Yes, but
okay.
outside, girl. I say if you kick your sister, come now. Demonstration time. Put it on like this. Mama, sit down so. Yes. So, you see your sister taller now. You have to the underhand.
I don't know my sister tall.
Me never see the day the 2 hours fight, Papi show.
Oh, me never remember.
So set so now.
Alright, so.
Yes. And fissa in our bed.
So.
Mama, take time. Me know me have to face. Your sister have to face. You idiot. Alright now. You kick them now. When you are kick girl, I say to your sister, try kick so. Kick out the foot. Let me see. Kick out the foot. Let me see. Mama, kick out the foot with more pressure. So. Yes. I see. I'm telling you to start the war now. So you see your sister come and you stop with the man. Let go so. Check her. You understand?
Oh, like this.
Yes, ma. Yeah. Jesus. Chuck her. You understand? Alright, no. What's up? Shot! No, karate. You want to do karate? Come. Shot! Yeah! Stop laughing, man. Me a teach you something.
Alright.
And that's why my girl can't pet my man.
Alright.
So he can fight. Eh? Alright.
What style?
Let go so. Yeah! Do that.
Oh.
Yeah! You always a lick off of my face like you want to lick on my face, you know.
Then that's what I said if you do.
I teach you. Understand? So, remember, Mary, next thing too, what you need to do? Start eat some banana and some color you look puny. You want some ton caramel?
I disrespect me?
No. Mama, in the morning, boil some ton caramel and put on 45 in it.
So who?
45.
What name so?
Double D 45, yes. Double D 45. Your body too much. When you have fights, you not do what you're supposed to do. You understand? You tell me I said? Alright, do some push up now.
Huh?
Mama, me a teacher,
What
mama.
part of my body look like you can't do push up?
Mama, good on panic gun and give me a
Me
push
never.
up.
Hello, me never.
Mama, you want to learn something. Good on panic gun and do the push up. Push up, man. I never tell you if you bounce for nothing. Me say push up. Push up, mama. Me can't show you push up and even something that me do for learn. You see, the girl take my man with my man there now. I yard. The girl can't take my man. Push up.
Listen, this is a comment.
Mama, push up now.
Alright,
Push up, push up.
alright.
Push up, that take too long. Push up. Push up.
I
I want different exercise. Push up, mama. Push up, push up.
Hey.
Push up.
Me done.
I just say, girl, take your man.
Me
Pull up your
never
head.
sign up for this.
Pull up this over your head. Pull up this over your head. Pull up this over your head.
No, I couldn't money I take before. Listen, me never want to learn. Hey, me never want to learn. So here what?
You see the time I come out as a video, I could have done my yard. I cuddle up with my man.
Hey, go on, come
I
up
ain't
with
never
your man.
know.
Me got more my business because he didn't take me for.
You fool, you don't want to learn nothing. Your sister take your man, dirty girl. Me ain't no friend again.
What? Why you avoid me?
Yeah, why you feel like not avoid them?
Because me couldn't tell when you text, couldn't tell when you call, couldn't tell when me see you. Avoid you. Basically you avoid me.
Alright, you know, I'm credit, so I can't call her. I'm 3 nights done, so I can't text her neither. The reason you can't see her because, boy, I don't know. How long time I don't look like me running either, so how long time I don't feel myself.
So, what me really want to ask you now?
How you ask me, sir?
How you go to my sister and tell my sister say, I know me you want a she.
Who tell her, sir?
My sister.
Your sister a liar, no can tell her nothing. You see, I want him, want me, and I don't want him. Maybe you have to cut my people, take you for idiot.
Hey, so you're not here to pull my hands so.
No, me have to pull you and pull in sense in your brain, because you make people take you for idiot. How girl for you tell us me no want you? Me tell us me no want you?
More look like you want to take me for idiot.
No, sir. But I never do that. I never do that. So I can't move so good.
You look like me a laugh. A serious matter this.
I'm serious though. I just that show me naturally happy and something. I'm not even happy. I told me see you because you know I'm stressed out. Right now I see you. I just want to go and sit. So oh yeah.
So you fling out my hands so you gonna spray any? You gonna fling it out and sack it?
No.
Auntie, you no learn. You no learn.
I
You there so with
this
this same man.
this
you
same
have
girl.
to
I'm here to talk to. I'm
Yes,
here
I
to
you me
talk
the talk to.
to. You forgot who you talk to?
No, me don't forgot.
Hello, listen, Congo. Congo! Congo, yeah. Come.
And that family are strange.
Hey!
What problem? What problem? Where you run and push her down, Safa?
Listen, you don't come by me right now, you know.
What do you mean by?
You can't try to come pick me.
What you do?
Cause you pick me. A rude to me. Right. Look,
Okay, tell her when me come down the road the route here with mommy me saying down there with the same man where you and him in there so they fight over. They tell him man, oh you think say I don't want she or you want.
Hey! You can't try to little pick me.
So you
Allow me to tell.
Yeah, girl, me still not talk to your man or what?
I'm not tell you say you have to go find somewhere go.
Oh, put me out.
You have to go find somewhere go.
Put me out.
You have to go find somewhere
Yes,
go.
if
Me
you
not
find
go tolerate
somewhere
this.
go,
Me not go tolerate this.
You have to find somewhere
Don't
go.
need to find
And
somewhere
your
go, no
baby
matter
find
mother.
somewhere go, so then
No
who
my
are
mother.
you gonna
Yes,
find
you
somewhere
see a
go?
man where you and my mother they find over make him put you out with my mother. Put you out.
No.
Then you cannot live in a me and I want to take the man
You
girl.
go pick me.
Yes, big
Me
man.
auntie.
Where you take a broom for do? Where you take a break for do?
Me flirt one with
floor.
here.
Oh, where you take up rep for do?
Man.
Let go this. Come you know where you take up rep for do, you know. After you want living in my place and take my man, some can go so now you have to go find somewhere go
Whoa,
come down. Maybe now go tell her ready. You can't say I'm sister you want take my man. Some can go so. Eh?
You see that X there? You see it? Look
One
on
tweet.
it.
One tweet.
You see that X? That X65 say, me not tap take your man, me go forever take him. And maybe if you come to me, I go take him right in front of your face.
Actually, you're my sister, me no want to lick you down, you know. So you see, next time I see you with my man, me go bust up your face. And not put your hand back for me that time, you know. Because me mash you up.
Alright, so tell her that to stay out of my way. When she see me on the right, she take it left. Or else,
Or else what?
I no beat me, I go beat her next time.
Where you going?
You don't need to know that. When me do it,
And
you
we
will see.
can tell you, say, make sure, say, not a scratch no dip on her
I'm
body.
not
'cause you
scratch
never
over
like
the
it, you know.
panny. In body, you go
Not
red.
even one strand of hair no fi drop on her body, you know.
Girl,
So you
stop
not
the
gonna like
lecturing.
it.
Go lecture your
Alright,
daughter over
we
the
don't talk to you.
right.
Come.
Baby,
How you come down?
on the road. Go
So,
on.
I'm going to say, go on road.
So I need nothing.
Pick up my road.
I shot me go. And then me up sitting on. And then video reason.
I go to the door.
Yeah, me be alright.
Yeah, me hungry and want food.
So I go.
See what I do today?
What am I going to do?
No, what I did today, different from talk to him.
No, not really. I just want a regular day. I know I go to work. Make 2 calls and I'm very good now. What you do for a man?
You don't want to know, me top chat to Amanda. You know how we am top chat to her. You can't be saying me a teacher girl about Karachi. And the girl no want to do her.
Tell us Amanda you want dirty girl from
Me
Amanda.
not top chat to she.
Remember say me tell us Amanda want dirty girl, you know.
Yes, B, you're right. You did right. Yes, you're
Me
right.
tell us about you know and believe me. Right now the best thing ever say. Right now I feel good. She didn't even know. Long time I stop chat to Amanda because Amanda want dirty girl. You don't believe me?
You didn't tell me, say man, every time you tell me, say Amanda do together, you don't even know Amanda.
Me know in personality how girl feel award and sister over man. I'm a good
Well,
friend.
I'm not fear Amanda, that's why she get born because she not do things, man. She must know why her man get born. I mean, no, you not give me bone, I mean, I do that.
You're mad. Never.
Never, ever
Never
in your
ever.
life.
Hold on. That man doesn't chat with you. You know, I try to tell him no lie.
No, me not chat with you.
You didn't not chat.
Me say, me and her talk talk.
No lie to me, you know.
Why would I lie to you?
Alright. I believe her.
Good. Eat up cook breakfast. I had some water for my foot. Foot that hurt me. When I go there, go try Karachi. When I tell she did kick me and be something she do me, body that hurt me.
You should kick you in your head long time so you have sense.
Tap no me.
Get that work.
Yeah.
I am so like I tell you, babe.
I don't sleep, me there want sleep. I'm tired and I'm hungry.
Yeah, you're hungry. You know get feed your yard.
Me never me I just at some point in time I go still hungry.
Babes, look how
Me
you're
mad about
Babes, look how you're small and your belly big. You know think you cut down on it.
what part of my belly big?
Look here. Look here.
Wait,
Look
wait.
here.
Hey, Leffy.
Baby, woman ribs for sure. Your belly too big, man. You have to cut down
What?
on it.
Me not got gym, sir.
Don't worry about
So
it.
me ribs.
Don't worry about
I will go right so.
Right.
Again?
I'm gonna come back with this again.
You come back with this like what go right
Don't
so?
talk to me no.
What go right
Girl,
so?
don't touch me.
No.
Me not tell you
You
stuff enough
don't
to
say
make
you
me
don't
stay
say
with
for
my
5
man
now. Me not
again.
have to no.
Me not tell you stuff enough to make me stay with my man again.
You
Where you
see,
do you so with him?
you're blind.
Where you do you so with
And
him?
me say if you're blind.
Baby.
What are you doing?
Baby.
What should I do right so?
Baby. No calm no man.
Yes.
Me
Which
not
one
talk-
now we are talk to?
Me a talk to 2 hours now. Only 2 hours need to calm and stuff like
Oh,
that.
sorry.
Idiot.
Me not tell you
Girl.
stuff enough to see me I go bust up your face.
What's up, my feet? Peter? Which side of
Wait. Girl, me tell you say no make me come catch you back with my man again, you know.
My
Cause
friend,
you know
you
see
want
a
me
war, you know.
Karachi, you know?
Karachi.
Hey,
So what that's happening,
hey,
you know?
come go down before me have to bust up your face.
Bust up off her face. Eh? Me not tell you say no make me stay back with my man.
Girl.
Woman! Jesus Christ! Hey! Girl! Girl!
Let me go.
Girl!
Hey! Hey!
I'm gonna break you now!
I think I am the sister, you know.
Wait
I
a
go
minute.
spear you know.
Only talk now.
Hey!
Only talk now.
You move too.
Why?
Get up.
Wait till I get
Go down. Get to that girl. Just me and girl. Just me.
man, you know, baby, you lick me hard from my hand. You hold me hand hard me.
Wow.
Baby, you lick me hard from my hand. Want me can lick the girl so? Want me can lick...
Jenny, if you know our place.
Alright, want me can lick me so then?
Because you're coming on my way.
Yes, I'm sorry, you lick me hard man.
I don't want to sorry for you.
Carry me down, carry me down.
Who? Me?
Yes, me hand. You hold me.
Me?
Yes, you hold me hand.
Looking at me, yeah. Me? Could never. You must be mad.
Yes, no, can you, me hand out, no.
Alright.
No, no.
Hey, girl, what is?
Alright.
I mean, where is that? Where are you so?
Girl, I didn't want this. When me always tell
Yes,
about.
me don't know that girl. Baby, me don't know that girl.
Alright.
Where are you so?
You don't know what?
Man, yeah. I'm your man. I'm here to teach you to fight, girl.
Hey.
Hey! Look on, let me tell you this. You see your sister? Me a murder to her. Hold on. Wow! You see her daddy when I bought that boy there.
This is a place where I get too hot for me. Dear Kayla, yeah, go live for St. Mary with Shami and my cousin cause this I get too hot for me. I beat all the people then. But I watch here and the clothes ain't better. Good thing with the popcorn time. Yes, this is a mad guy here right now.
Boy, there, man. That. Dear kid, I'm moving. Alright. Dirty cross to the gal cap. Watch me out.
Mister, you don't know, sir. The auntie just beat me up the road. Just wait, you know. I'm going to put out her things and not change them, you know.
Hush, man, hush. That's enough to take... No, listen and wait. That's enough to take people, man.
What do you mean by?
You don't take me, man? No, you don't take people, man. You know, see? Look for me good. You say me enough and I made the wrong come too. Yeah, man. Hush, man. Not take people, man, again.
I'm going to put her out as soon as she come here. As soon as... Not
man.
tell you one more step.
But I'm my girl, man. Alright. Hush, man. Hush. When I take people, man, that help me. Yeah? Hush, man. Hush. Come, baby, come. Hush, man. That's enough to love people, man. You hear? Hush.
I don't know how she be your auntie, you know.
I don't know how you be my mother, you know, and you love fight over people, man.
I gotta wait to see. What do you mean by that? Don't take advantage of me that you cry, you know. Mind your language with me. Not because me that you cry.
Alright. Me just get beat up, you know.
Mind your language, me I still your mother.
Me think you're the bad girl, though.
You know what? Go in the house. Find some go do in the house.
I'm coming to tell you, matter of fact, when I come back, consider me now move. You just get beat up. You have to go beat me and make me beat you.
Oh, Lord.
Me just hear you beat up bigger man over your man, girl. Good job.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I want to like yeah.
Me just get beat up.
Yeah.
Try to get things and come out, you know.
When they take people, man, hush.
Who say they fight me up the road?
Say it one in there.
I'm going to tell you about the man first now. You still want to warn me over the man. They try to get things and come out and...
Don't take people
again, you know. Mine not get another bus ass, here. I'm a fact right now, me in a pain, me I can't go in. My back at me. You are right.
Go soaking us on hot and
start. Go pack them in the suitcase and I turn in another night, so. You're not turn another night in here.
Alright. You feel how that's sweet, funny girl. But actually, you just a chat and the shape
not over my dead body. I'm not going nowhere.
Come and turn up there, boy.
Me man run away.
Who are you, man?
That the man over.
Listen to me.
Listen to me. Me got my yard and look my man left sorry left and he gone. But any day me find him, we must stop take people, man. You hear me say take people, man? David tell me say him can't bother with the man. I must in a woman sit like that thing say.
What?
So how me if you know say you and David there? Yeah, what? Eh? Come here. I want to see you say you know to take people, man. I want to show you say you know to take people. That's so. Don't take people, man. Don't take people, man. Let me man alone, man. Let me man. Never know if beat you with you, man. Hey, girl, pull out this, you know. Pull out this. Kind of go, sir. What? How she gone? Pull out the blood. You see them people here? You see me I tell you about them people here? Just pull out this. Pull it out.
Pull out that. I mean, I want to pull out that.
Penny, pull it.
Let me go.
Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm going to pull out me hair now. You can't tie me hair for the line. We can't do with them so behind no man.
No, I'm sorry for you. Come. That's enough. Cost me. What that?
No fights in the house. Tell them to like this. People come and fight me for my God, girl. I could have caused this one, man. I want my baby father there.
Mommy. You know, so me I go up on the road though, me I go walk and free my mind, you know.
Yeah, man, that's you for do. Walking is good. It's a good exercise. But remember, when you're going for your walk, free up yourself, man, and emancipate yourself from your ex's slavery. You're not there with him anymore. You're not there with him foolishness. Here, new beginnings. We're moving upwards and onwards. All right? So go for your walk, clear your mind, cut the judgment, and you see when you come back, new environment, new beginnings. May I pray for you.
Okay, mommy.
All right, walk good.
Yes, mommy.
All right, baby.
Hello. Good evening. How are you hurrying go, sir?
Me I go about my business, I want.
Oh, me just did and compliment you. You look very nice. What's your name?
Thank you. Jody, my name.
Jody.
What's your name?
My name is Daffy. Where are you from?
I'm from Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Yeah.
So you do so far, Jody?
No, so me not so long move down at them place, you know.
Are you alone? Me no want to go up in your business, but are you alone the boat?
Yeah, man, I'm alone the boat, I want.
So you just forward from Clarendon to way down at Westmoreland, so?
Because tourist attraction, I come about, you know.
No, I understand. So where you heading to now?
Me head for go down at the beach.
Down at the beach by yourself?
Yeah, to go fresh air and cool out.
I understand. So what you plan to after?
I don't really have no plans after now.
So when you come back from beach, maybe you couldn't talk and something or get to know each other better?
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Jody, me tell you the truth. You see, when I grew up, my mother used to tell me, say, I go born a handsome young man and I go break all the girl them heart. I tell her something about my mother. My mother lied. I never have a girlfriend in my life.
So who fi say no you are the liar?
But you just know me what reason would I have to lie to you?
So why you never have a girlfriend before?
No. Like we get close and I talking, you know. Me reach some stages, but I guess me too shy or me don't know the right words or me not look good enough. Me don't know for that.
Right.
So you don't have a boyfriend, Miss Clarendon?
No, I know. I don't have none.
None at all?
None at all.
So me and you can't talk then.
In what way?
Just talk and get to know each other, man.
Alright.
Alright, so we can get a number.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, perfect. Alright, enjoy your beach trip.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
See you too. Davi, you did it again. You did it again, boy.
Long time you don't see you. How you do round there?
Huh?
How you do round there?
I walk me a walk.
I look for you.
Now me dirty foot ex. Me to beat him.
The man left you?
And left me run in.
Outside!
Run in, run off. You don't want to know what me get me say. Let me tell you how it begin. One day me come on the road, I see two girls fight. So I walk up and me a pat them and say it's not right. But if you pat them, they could kill one. If I get found out, say they're my sister. They a fight over a man. I say, me hear me too when I see that a man. I say, Manda, beat the girl. That thing he beat his sister and I sister take him, man. No offense, I did my man. They a fight over me, you know.
Oh God, poor thing. If you really take
Me have trained the girl karate.
if you take your fight girl over your man.
Over my man, I know.
Something wrong with you, man.
Me never know.
So, me did tell her to take me up, but no, you didn't want me because me a junkie.
You did drunk then time they drink too much and me never
No,
want that.
so me take drink from you now.
Me see that. Me might think about it. Cause right now me think, me might think about it.
You think?
Yes.
That me like. That me like
The man left me and I'm alone, me there talk to. So me single now.
So the man did they play you? Why didn't he have
Yes. Two sisters they play two sisters. Me not eat that. I me not know that. Me say when I grew up, you see all the sisters me teach karate.
me the think circus done bill?
No man. I beat she.
Oh.
I turn and beat her. I take another sister and turn up like she a goat.
Me teach you something. Never you beat a woman over a man because they don't know what go on and like say the woman didn't know say you
No. They know say the man have the woman. They know everything. Because the man tell them. The man tell them.
So how you know if the man tell them?
Because she tell me. Me to say me and I sister I did friend. Man that tell me how everything go. Man say see the man look him, the man tell him so they can go and link up because what he have in woman and yard. I'm miserable. That will be me, the miserable one. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, so my planning to figure a chance and so none of that.
I don't like that. Woo! You from around here, my friend?
No.
Oh, you don't come from around here, you look nice. You don't live with nobody.
No. I live with nobody. I want
Me I look at a
When you say
woman.
the same thing,
With her.
yeah, the same thing as me
What?
dirty foot ex.
Where you talk about?
Because you just right there, so I look me and I say, alright, me go and give you a chance, give you change. You dey look one other woman. Other thing do me, you know. Look other woman behind me back. Miss, I will take one away. Can you see them a man in another lane? They don't want nobody. They want look somebody for use.
Me and you put on application?
We will sign up the application and you take it dash away. Eh?
You say you that take me up. You never give me the go ahead to you, me and you there.
Me now get the go
You
ahead,
have no
so me have to
picnic?
test you.
No, I don't have a child. What about you?
No, me not have none, you know. Me single and never. You see, from me know myself. And now me they get to that old age. I never get a woman.
So you never talked to no woman before?
Me talk to them, but I never see like inside them body, like. And
Inside out.
like yeah,
Yeah.
me not know how a woman look. Even if me take off a woman clothes, me not gonna know how it look.
Oh.
Because
So
me
you're a virgin?
call it so the Mary.
Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Remember your wife. Stop tell for joking here.
Me
Yeah.
and my wife never do nothing.
So what are they married for?
We just married just because I love.
Come go up. Move.
We can't talk to.
No. Move quick and fast for me start beat you. Like, although you know my man, we beat you.
I see you
Why?
later, yeah?
All right,
man?
darling. I will see you.
Get
Don't
up and
worry.
road side, I look, girl. Move.
See you. I try to tap my food.
How are your problem now, miss? Me know you?
Let me tell you this. You see, man, them that lane, yeah? Them are perfect liar. Me say they lie. Don't mix and me go with none of them, you hear?
So you know say all of them are lied? All of them
Because-
not have to be lied?
No, me live it in the lane. I'm used to deal with one in here. And the one they know. The little dirty man that going up the road. Him just prove me right, so the one of them are liar.
So all of them you're there within Adelaide?
No! Me not with all them, but me see the all of them give them woman bun.
So you know say no relative them you go say all of them are lied?
Hello, I catch them with my raw band eyes. And that me I tell you, say me catch them. So just make sure say you hold your head straight and put your eye pan no man at all. Not even that one that will go up there, especially that one that take your eye off of him.
Suppose that him like say to me take me off of him.
Hello, you know who me?
You know who me be?
Me don't know who you be now. And you just come here. And I'm about to agree my spirit, because I tell this, me a mad girl. And you see
I mean psycho.
And you see how girl take my man? None of them not take none again. Although I'm my man, but my man is soon to be my man. My being be my man. If he be my man, you can't want him, girl. Hold your head straight and go on now. Brighty.
The man good like you, but now you don't know. Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I have something to tell you now.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down, me tell you.
Alright, make me talk. Let me hear.
So, I go up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
But I take a walk down on the beach.
Mm-hmm.
And book up this cute guy now. So the guy cute and him handsome. I tell him I feel like I fall in love again, mommy.
Girl, be careful. Remember what you go walk for. But clear your head for why.
But I feel like I'm in love again.
So quick.
Yeah, I'm cute and everything. I feel like I fall in love again. And not every man are the same.
Listen, there's no such thing as good man on this earth. Don't fall for that. I just last week me I wipe your tears, not true. You say you go for a walk for clear your head, and this how you clear your head?
I mean, even tell me I'm not even have no girlfriend and he never have no girlfriend before.
What pick they say?
One big man, a big man, mommy.
Big man?
Yes.
Like how much so?
Around 32.
32 and never. I want a two thing. Either mama man or fish. Which
No,
30
no fish.
girl look at it. Which 32-year-old man you hear
Some man him nice and everything. Nothing
and
wrong with him.
make it worse, nothing wrong with him. You know, see nothing wrong in that.
No.
Girl, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Let me tell you something. You see, when meetings said me and your father in love, me go on so to, you know, and me think says real love, my heart a flutter, everything a flutter, if you know what me mean. And me think it's a real thing. All these years him gone. Me and you dump on my face, and me I'm sun and whatnot it. Where in there? This good man the same way, so me tell all my friends, all my family, oh, I'm in love. It's real love. My heart's a jitter, everything. No fall for it, baby girl. Nothing no go so. Right now I'm that firing on the two white woman.
Well, me think me fall in love and me think me love him. Because him like me and me like him.
Oh, love combinating, you just meet him. What is his favorite color?
Blue.
Hey, why mother and father name?
One name Chimmy.
One name Chimmy. How
Yeah.
much mother and father him have? A piece
My
of
father named
parents him have?
Chimmy. And his mother named Mary.
Hey.
Yes. And he said go and carry me go meet his mother too. Yes.
And you come on. You're not born yesterday. I mean, I raise no fool. 32-year-old. You don't find that? Come on. You don't find that strange? 32. Never had a girlfriend.
Mature and him know what is love and everything.
How him know what is love and he's never been in love? Mine, you know. Sure, you have the body on your head. Mine, him no mistake if you're a man, you know. Mine. Something wrong. Something wrong.
Alright, mommy. I go while I shower.
Alright, but think about what Miss said, baby. Something wrong with that, the picture. Think about it.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, my older and wiser. Alright. One or two things that sound like better not hurt my baby again.
Oh, yeah. What's the time now? I should do. So what do you have to do forward and look at the forward and see and feel that I look like man, it's not really you, you know. I'm really sorry about that. I apologize, you know.
Right now, I'm big stress thing right now. No one to the family with the right now.
Trying to stress out.
My look at one of the other day, and them left. You know, I'm in a place right now. She more try to get to right now. So me,
Allah, you tell them, make for me and for my man, and left the man. How that going?
so me have one accuse me of all the stuff and kind of you know, so you know, to lift up.
So you have proof?
No, me not enough for here, so I go off.
One time you can't work off a hearsay, but that's one time when you hear things This one I choke close to the choke.
You know,
Weird way around.
but you know, she me say me I go and look to see in her place. Come here, saying there in her place, you know. Yeah.
I can't go and look to a man, but put on a ring and talk to man, because it's so much now.
You must be a Jamaican now, man.
Yeah.
So now you know, we're good.
So that's just my father. Well, that me you want to tell us this. Go and pick up yourself. Alright.
Mama. Yeah, what's the name of them place?
Stand where if you don't run them place, I walk me.
So I move so.
Oh, me I move.
You may walk and look up on evening and come here say don't say, you know.
You're not supposed to walk and look for me from even, because when you do can't go, so why you walk and look for me?
Oh God, man. Calm down, now, man.
Calm down, why you should have never lay down with my auntie. Why you do
You
that?
never know say your auntie that.
So what give you a right? If you never know some auntie, why give you a right for go to go with other woman?
No, you know, you come down, man. You go road in the night and come in back, you know, say, I need your time. I may need the police for aisle. You never know say your auntie, man. You never know what they do, you know that.
Oh, you never did want me know. But no, me know, so what you are going to say and what you have to do.
So we can't try to work things out.
Work what out? After you go to my auntie and there with my auntie, you want to come back here and work out what with who?
Where you doing somebody else where you gone, you know?
So you cheat on me with my auntie. And you expect me to believe you that you're not with anyone.
No, nobody I know.
Oh, please. Sorry to say, but I met someone and I don't think this will ever work out again.
You mean you met someone?
Bye.
Him not live in peace, you know. Remember tell you, you know. Anybody else live with him? Alright, remember tell you, man. Everything good. Buck up in the life, that's alright.
Don't even bother. Come. Where you wanna go?
No, I don't run. I saw run me jingle and I stop and I don't run me. I run.
Where you stagger go?
I drop me there drop.
You know how long me look for you?
Look for me.
You know how long me look for you, David? Boy, you left later. How you not got your people, man? How you still there?
Afraid because you see with the girl and babes.
Get up, Rotella, give me bun.
No.
Rotella, they give me bun.
Baby, no. I know a lie. That happened.
What happened?
Baby, right now I feel like a salt over me. It's just a misunderstanding. I just stand up on a top, but you see where you grab me so. You see it? I said
Top grab me.
Top
grab me, so don't grab me so.
Sorry. I'm sure you say I just say you grab me. I'm afraid.
Because me get so mad to say me have my man and me there yard, me now do nothing wrong. You there road with girl a fight over you. They tell me say I told them they dead. That then tell me say. No wonder make when me a man that did finna have one problem with man that you know.
No man that idiot, I like me not like him. He want dead but me not like it. That's why me tell yourself in a par with him but me couldn't bleed out it. Cause your friend and he want dead with me. The other one now.
Are you that look her?
Come for look him.
Me hear say you look them.
Come for look two of them. Come for look two of them one time. I idiot. Them two of them I idiot for there with me 2 times.
Yeah, cause they want you.
Chill that me I talk about. I'm gonna salt.
Anyways, I had me a Congo.
So you know miss me?
Miss who? Cheating you?
I never cheat.
How you there do then, David?
I tell you, I just want misunderstanding.
David, you make the girl them laugh at me. And I never fight over man yet. You want to sketch me on the road, say that beat girl, I go at girl, you go tell girl like a goat. Power ya.
I believe a man, but me I tell you, say, I never do no cheating. Because
you there do something, because them say you are them there.
They tell you that for you let them go, so you turn your anger upon me. You see, look.
So what?
Hold on, think about it. If me I'll catch you, I may have you and I'll beat you hard and I'll pick you and sit down and say, where Onik there? Where Onik there? And I'll beat you. I want to know what Onik there, you go saying downtown. I'm left you alone, no so you go.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So why you run off me? When you just stand over here and wait till me come here and talk about it? You run gone.
Because you grab me and jerk me. You jerk where you jerk me, jerk out the wall and I sense them. So me have to run.
Oh.
Yeah.
But your good stills.
I'm not really good. I'm up on the road and left around. I'm not even found, you know. And when me hungry.
How if anybody that give money, you turn your yard and get dinner. They get breakfast.
Come fit on me yard and you beat me.
Who tells you for run out?
Why you lick me?
Can you give me bun?
See a ball out again, where a ball out for?
Bro, so we can't come in back. You want a second
Coming
chance?
back where?
You want a second chance?
Who for off?
You want a second chance?
Me no feel safe to deserve a second
But
chance.
me no do nothing wrong. Are you lick right now? You know, say, matter of fact, ask me for one second chance. Cause you lick me. Are you come on roadside and lick me and embarrass
You're
me?
bright! And out of order.
Alright, me forgive you. Me forgive you.
Alright, me go forgive you. Come.
Me forgive you.
Yeah, cause me still love you, you know. I mean, nobody take it from me.
No, so me can't.
But listen to me still. Tomorrow morning, in the day, make sure you pack up your clothes them and come my yard. And I'm going to look for you. Boy, you run gone.
Alright.
Go for your clothes them and come.
Alright.
Bright. Boy,
Alright.
you run gone.
Alright.
Yeah, you're bright. Boy, you run gone with people property. No, sir.
So, new beginnings we say, not true?
Yes,
Yeah,
mommy.
man. I know it's an upwards.
What? Hello, evening. Are you may look fine? Yeah, so me just sit down call her.
Mommy, before we go any further, see the guy me that tell you about the other day. So David, this is my mom, this is David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, how you doing?
I'm good.
Alright, glad to know. So where you heading to now, sweetheart?
You know, say my mother that walk up.
Everything good?
Yeah, my alright and everything.
Alright.
I beg you a minute.
Oh,
I
no.
just want to talk to my daughter.
No problem.
Come here. I hear you say you meet.
Yes, mommy.
I let the man tell you say, him not had no one man.
Yes, mommy.
My spirit not taking girl. Him see you with your mother. And I come sweetheart, like some in the day.
Well, nothing wrong with that.
Him know you like that. Him know you like that. My spirit not take him. My spirit not take him.
Mommy, you have problem with my father. You have problem with the man before my father and the one before that. You have problem with everybody. Me, it's not the same thing. I know what reach you go reach me.
You know,
And
say,
it can work.
girl, you know, say a pretty boy that. A pretty boy
But me
that.
did tell us them handsome.
Never, you don't look on him. Never had a girlfriend. Me I tell you, say, him is either a mama man or a fish.
Mommy is
Either
no
way,
mama, man.
You not hear me. You not hear
Puss
me.
and
when
dog
me
not the
talk.
same. Not because it not work out for you, me it not go work out for me.
You not hear me. Remember me tell you, Remember me tell you. So nobody come back and bow to me. Because me see hurt pan him. And him a go hurt you.
Me not get
Me
hurt,
not
mommy,
trust
cause
him.
it a go work. It not me
Him
not
too
feel
friendly
away.
for my liking.
Him
Remember
not
me tell you.
friendly.
Remember me tell you, but you're a big woman. I can only advise you. I can lead the horse to the water, but I can't force it to drink.
Exactly.
Come on. I like remember that. Yeah, wait.
Anyways, as you were saying, I'm not a man to man. Let me just
Oh,
have him.
No worry about that, man. Everything good. What am I say?
Well, she has said, you don't look like the type who never talk to a girl yet.
Me never tell you something.
You look like your mama man, all of them something there.
Allah, yeah, tell.
Yeah, so she there behave and go on. I don't know why she a behave so because no. Mommy and my father couldn't agree. The one before, she and I can't agree, and the one before that still can't agree. It's like she puts on that have same now, so she feel like that now gonna work for me too.
Well, maybe I just fear bad experiences with men previously, but me and them are not the same. I don't think nobody still like me.
And I hope what she has said. I not true.
No, me no mama, man. Me can't promise you that, man. Nothing like that.
I you not have no woman.
Me have you. You know my woman.
Oh, so if me
Yeah.
see you with the next girl, what me for do?
Ask me, say, hey, babe, who is this?
Me if you ask you,
Yeah.
look for me and look for my good. You think me go ask you? Me is a mad, sick, and head no good girl. So me not gonna ask you. Cause remember they want to tell me say you never talked to a girl before.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna stand up and make the girl floor me.
No,
It's a
after
mad
that.
girl.
I know that, man. I like boy. I could have seen it enough from the way I see you walk. Boy, you coming from Clarendon.
The one then it's the only client and I'm not gonna run. If I'm but with no man, I'm not gonna up and down because my that want me. But when play stubborn can feel like some a big woman so I'm there with man.
Excuse me. Remember set time the pound I'm gonna want to catch your supermarket before it closes. I'm gonna need you to help me.
Alright. Go on with your mommy. Yeah, we see.
Me talk to you.
Alright, take care,
Mommy,
yeah?
come. Yeah,
Alright, bye. Alright, my mother-in-law.
What see ya. You're not my son-in-law until you marry my daughter.
Don't worry about it, man. In due time.
Just Miss Miller will do. All right.
Come, mommy,
Alright.
come.
I might breed your daughter. I know what that for you.
I didn't know Father Joe.
Well, go on.
Yeah, boy.
So I try to cut off a rum, but sometimes you know, say the rum have to, drink. So, how you walk down them here? How I want?
So I know some ex book up in yesterday, so. I tell them, man, you look good, you know.
So you never know, so when you left a woman that go always look good. You don't know that?
That mash up my head right now, man, I tell them.
So, mash up your head.
Yeah,
Oh.
why them want her back?
No, man, listen to me. You see when you want to win a woman, you want to tie back with you?
I mean.
When you want to win a woman, you know, all you have to do is buy her roses, chocolate. You buy her any little thing can go give her. Even if you can't afford the flowers, you pop people flowers, can't go give her. Then the woman like them, there's something there.
So you sure that we work?
What? Listen, especially when you buy them some nice perfume, some panties, some lingerie.
But you remember nowadays, woman ain't like so you know, you have to have money, like money if you win to a woman.
No, teach you something. You say some woman, you have to use money to get them, you know. Y'all can buy them food, box food every day. I want Popeyes, I want burger. You just buy, you only want, some woman love them belly.
You make it sound easy.
No, me I try to show you say some woman love them belly.
Me know say love them belly.
Even when that me did have my catty them, you know, before me married to my wife, you know.
But she don't love for your belly like that.
She don't love her belly?
No, daddy.
You have a fight. You can have a fight.
Wow.
So if you win her heart, you way to know. And you have to be like me, you know. You have to be a man when you go there. You see, if you don't have the money to buy certain things to win her heart,
yeah.
You have a boombox.
Me can't borrow one.
Right. You go there, just play a love song. You call out and you say, babes, me a mad out.
No, that overdate now, daddy. No,
huh?
daddy.
No, you're with her aunt because you go
no, man, it's overdate now, man. So, no, daddy. Overdo the thing now, man. No, me can't do that. I want her, but me nah go there for that.
No, you don't understand what me I try to show you.
Me understand what you try to show me, say, you know.
It's like when you have an iPhone and your woman have a Samsung.
Yeah.
And when you have the iPhone and she have a Samsung, she have a problem with it. So you have to understand.
Daddy, she don't tell me she have a man already, you know, daddy. So it will work. Boombox business not gonna work. Me come like I want fool.
You
Yeah, man.
So when the hell you come and start talk? You talk like say, a woman don't have nobody. Well,
But they say just me in a serious yet.
Oh.
So me have a little chance probably.
Then
but the boombox thing they not work, daddy.
You work for me. You know me play Celine song, I Will Go On. That is the best song. You play that, or you play The Power of Love. What's Van Taylor? Away I go. Away I go. Away I go. Wait,
Call my friend Job one.
You take me back.
No, me give my ex. Or that.
Rough.
One thing you say, you give me a chance.
No. You think me take time and come in and be excited, man. Give me a moment. Wait. Start over. Oh, go on, Joe. I got friend Job one.
I deal with it.
There you good?
Yes, man.
Me think boy somebody say what day ya and me don't think we go candy. Cause me see me ex and me take him back. I never do it. I hope I tell any time done. So me release him. Me beat every last one of the girl and run him out of lane.
How you look for?
Eh?
How you look for?
Me I try to look for the fact because this is yam head here. And a real yam head. Me I tell you.
Why? Wait, me not
You take up the man back.
Yes! Me pick him back up. Me just jab him up so.
Lego me and me a man. My friend
Oh,
had
just
me
an
so.
example.
No jape me up man and me a man.
No,
Easy
you
man.
must say, pack up your clothes man come back a yard. Tomorrow, I make tomorrow come and me not see him come back a yard.
A frank.
She
can't.
Watch me. Watch me.
You really have to come back, man.
Yes, can you know better?
What is that?
You don't know better.
You say better.
Pop the road and me talk, made the talk. As one of that little catty come, you jump down.
One nice little filly.
Yeah.
A pass, right? Me I talk to she and I look at her. She tell me say she a go think about it. Right? You a go think about it for your maybe.
Not really. But if me see a catty a pass, I know so me can get in there. Me I go in
You
there.
can't get in there.
You know get in there
But
or no?
anyways, me get to find out something because I get some intel from the other day. And through me a friend. Any day, any day, me book all your baby mother again. I go and make she roll like a shoulder with the picnic. Cause I see that hit me, man.
Me.
No, you, your baby mother. I you not hear about
I
it.
mean that about all along.
No,
Oh,
your baby mother. Take me, man. Tie me, man. So me untie man by beating the baby man. They say baby mother pack up and gone. You see about the place here?
No, so boy, I wonder what go on, but me don't know about no.
All his sister gone too.
Eh.
Me hear about him.
So what happened? When you did talk about your ex, and your baby mother did talk about R1 different one.
Who you think me talk about that?
I must one different one I could never hit.
Jesus.
You got it, me and tell.
And you call me lion. Eh?
The way money not that lane, you lie.
Hello. Put the truth on your mouth. I am not a lion.
Yeah, what then?
I am just a junkie. That's the only thing I do.
I walk and unk up like unk dog. That's all you do.
Daddy. You have to stop drinking, man. You
Shut up your
I
body.
feel your money.
I don't mind, man, but you have to stop drinking, man.
I feel your money.
But you are drinking.
When you have smoke, me I tell you to stop smoking.
But when
But
me smoke, me now
anyways.
rum different from the weed, you know. The rum make you
Me
chat
I
be a
can't go
foolishness,
me
daddy.
yard, but I'm a place and cook some food and put on so nice. Put a close my man put on as in coming in tomorrow. Back home with him bag. Cause I'm my man.
But, one question before you leave here. You know.
What?
I leave you with a good question here. And matter of fact, let me ask you this. You plan to go back the road where you go back right now, right?
You blind me take back my man.
And come back a ball again.
Me now come back and back I last
And
never ball.
and train the next girl to fight.
If I saw be the case, me beat the man this time. Brawl, me say me gonna start bat abuse in my yard.
Yeah,
Watch.
Yamatan, man.
Huh?
Yeah, Yamatan.
I don't care what you want to say.
Oh,
Me a jape him up.
Yamatan.
Yeah, man, you know Yamed.
Oh!
And me a call you med.
No, you talk then.
And me a really call you med job when after me a friend for 5 years job when you this me so.
But how you
Whole
move?
Whole field go on.
I just say no woman. I say no go to forget back your woman them.
Me I get her back.
Whole field go on. Say I get the whole bakery, you know.
Yeah.
The whole bakery.
You will be a criminal.
You know. As
Yeah.
me say, get the boom box.
Me nah think you have to something else, man. Tell me something else we can work with. The boom box. You must have Jamaica this and that day.
Alright. Thief. If you can thief nothing over the yard, make them a look for you for 2 days. And you know, go over there and carry back and tell them, say, oh, boy, you see him on the road with the box him up and thump him down, and you know, say, female. Anything what you and him did have,
Daddy.
when they did there with that.
Daddy, they have a new dog over there, you know. Me the dog know me, you know.
No, listen to me, borrow up some tin mackerel, borrow you up and dash it to the dog. By the time the dog done that, they done come out and gone already. So,
Make it so easy, but me go try still.
try, man.
Yeah, me go try. You see?
Try.
Alright.
Yeah. Wow, you come like me turn counts like Eileen, yeah. Eh?
Me tell you something really not like him, babe.
But nothing wrong with him.
I just not trust him.
What about him, nothing?
Fat.
You go on now, baby. What you say? Now you work a chance now, you move, so.
I want you. Me tell you, I want you.
I need me someone, oh God, man. Give me a
Me not in and out with you. Me done with you.
Auntie,
Why you
talk to
stop me
auntie.
for?
Why?
Talk to her auntie for me, man.
Baby, come make me talk.
Talk about what?
I know him cheap on you and give you a bun. At least the better the devil you know.
You see one say, we must cry off my tears and move on with life because world not done.
Yeah, man, but me not really not like to get the feeling of this new one. I'm slimy. I mean, I tell you, say you go ball more. At least you know this one. But that's next pretty boy one. And him I lie to him, start off lying to you.
Well, I him rather than the one, yeah.
No, man, I not believe so. Because you know where you stand with this one. And like,
But
like
leopard
how my
can't
bed-
change
hold on,
me.
hold on. Like
Him
how-
burn me, I burn me more.
All right, just deal with him different. Your eyes wide open now. But you know where you stand. That when I lied to you from the start. You see pretty man like that never have a girlfriend. Something wrong.
Suppose
You
I
know
me him
it.
did I wait pon.
No man, a big man like that. I wait all him life. Give this one a chance because you ever hear some make up sex better than nothing.
Well, the one
Him
you
a
know
go
go
try
nice.
sweeten you up, man. I'm gonna try
Me
some.
no
Take
sugar.
the sweet up. Take the sweet up.
Me no want it.
Take the sweet up. Trust me. Trust me. Don't talk to me.
Yes, I want to baby. Forgive me now.
No.
Oh God, come on, man.
And by the way, I tell you this. See my man a gunman. So me I want you leave me alone. If you keep on pest me, I gonna make him page one way. I want you leave me alone.
So what have you do with me? Me respond boy and your gun, man.
Me no want you back. That's the whole point about me no need a just stop me no.
Well, me get remote type of shit then for some big case, you know.
You need to leave me alone. Go find your type. I'm not your type. If I were your type, you wouldn't cheat me with my auntie. So where I stop me for now?
Don't tell us I rum do it. But everything good, man. You must get
Go
your
on,
back
where I
still
go,
here.
man?
You have to try, you know.
Try what?
Give you a little patience.
Oh God,
You hot man.
I'm tired.
But baby girl, how you so special, so? Two man want me, girl. Two man want you at the same time.
But I only want my one, to be honest too. Yeah. Want the cute one. The neat on the road. I got breeze out. I go down on the beach. Yeah. I know mother the whole body. Can lie to me. And then in turn on and cheat on with my auntie. And I go tell me say never did know say my auntie. Then when I go back there, so mommy, how leopard can't change. So if me go back, I go do the same thing with the next woman and come back and say sorry again. Me not idiot.
But baby, on a serious level now, make we talk woman to woman. All man can say, you know, you not gonna get a good man what we are look for. Alright, we're not in the fairy tale thing. Hear me out. You know how your ex stand already. So you go in with the eyes wide open, no wide shut. You go in with the eyes wide open. And you hold the handle and make him hold the blade. You see like how I run, let me teach you something. You see like how I run you down? You get anything out of him right now. Right? Y'all get the world out of him. Can I try get back to you? But you're going with the eyes open. This pretty boy one, him a trick so straight off, you know, say I'm a con man.
So yeah, tell me say, go back to my ex with my eye them open. So me for me eye them open so. And they look funny over this so. I give me bun again.
So you know hear about bun for bun? You know hear about bun for bun, baby? Me now say give him your heart, you know. But every woman need a man by them side.
That is why I'm gonna take the one I'm introduced to you.
You don't know nothing about this one, girl. Him a scammer.
Oh, you know, say I'm a scammer.
Cause him is a
He's
liar.
not a scammer.
You can't get to 30 in a Jamaica. Which Jamaican man you ever know get to 32 and never see pum pum yet?
The one of me.
No man, me I tell you, say him smell fishy to me.
But the one down there's a smoke a ganja.
Ganja God's herb.
I don't like
Me not like it. But at the same time, ganja is God's herb, not do it. Me no smoke it, but not do it.
Well, me no want
And if
him.
that is
me
your
not go take him
complaint,
back.
and nothing.
Me not take him back and me no want him. Me move on with my life, a new page turn. You see him and tell myself to turn a new page.
Yes. But
Then why you want me flip back the page back way?
me
And
not
forward
tell
me
you
I
to
go.
flip back the page, but me I tell you to move forward with this one. Better the devil you know. So you move forward with this one. And do your thing, cause you don't know him flaws, you don't know him
That
benefits.
is why me not turn the page back way, mommy. Me I go forward in a life.
Me I try to teach you something, you know. Is what me go through, you know, me not tell you wrong. Me
But
love
when
you,
you
me
go
not.
through different from when me I go through now.
So me I try to save you the pain, baby. Me I try to save you the
You
pain and the
can't save me
heartache.
pain when you and my father can't agree. The one before my father and the one before still can't agree.
That's why me I tell you my mistakes that me learn from. Listen, it's a good thing to learn from your mistakes, you know. But here what? It's even better to learn from somebody else's. Especially when you have somebody that try to tell you the mistake they make and try to tell you, if me didn't know better, me would have do better. And that me I
That
try
is why
for
I
you.
know better now, so me I gotta do better now. I'm not going back there, I'm sorry.
You really are going with this pretty boy fish. Really?
Mommy?
Alright.
Sorry, but
Alright,
That's not what I want.
alright. Don't say I never warn you. Hard as picnic will feel.
Baby,
Yeah?
top shot is here again.
So why you finish the closing for me? So, yeah.
Me happy to see you. See that baby, they want to wash this one, this clean. Me carry this here. But this day everything else want wash. Everything.
So, okay, because I'm not clear about you. You want everybody to see you the runway?
No, but
What is okay so you run out with there?
Baby, school man, I sell that and buy some Chesters.
Oh.
So
No, I'm there to play a game.
that me I see. Yeah, miss me.
Yeah, me miss you. That's something to come back.
No man. So where they going? Where you cook? You not cook nothing in there?
Me cook already for you.
Where you cook?
Stew peas.
Me no want no stew peas.
Why?
No want no stew peas.
Why don't stew peas
Me
be?
just no want no stew. Me no feel for stew peas today.
A stew peas in there and a stew peas you go and take.
And no dumpling in there. No flour.
No be stew peas me say me they give you.
Sweetheart, me can't eat stew peas.
Why?
Can you know what they say about stew peas, man?
Same time, man.
Yes.
I me want to tell you this time so nobody no take you away.
No.
Me nah make them tell you this time or hope you this time. Me I do it myself.
Me not depend on that. Me not like
So
them.
you did depend when they take you away.
You will come with some stories. I like me can't bother with it. You know?
Alright.
But me no want no stew peas with you.
Come, let me say for sure.
Oh, sure.
I walk along.
Mommy, what happened?
I'm there now. Where you there?
I don't yard me them man. What go on?
Can link up later.
Later?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
So we are gonna meet.
Are you fit tell me?
We can meet the same place how we meet the first time.
Alright, no problem no, you know that. So me have to go sleep over?
Of course, why not?
Alright. Alright, then miss you.
Alright.
Babes. My mother call me and say, the baby then sick. And nobody there to turn with him, so I have to go sleep over and give him one strength tonight. So I can't sleep with her for the first night, baby.
Huh?
I told me just, you know, hear me I say.
No, sir. What about?
No, put in the house, you know, and boss of them they want to wash.
Tell him how you mother to wash them.
No, my mother, you know, hear me say my mother sick and the baby them there to help him.
That's if you can't go give mother wash them. Wash them over your mother.
My mother to wash them and he's sick, you know, hear good.
You sure see your mother call you?
Who else to call me?
You 100% sure see your mother call
Who
you?
me to call mommy? Me look at my born with two mother. Me can't look for me, so.
Me what if I lie you tell?
You ever see me I tell a lie?
You know if you say that.
What do you mean me not say that?
You know if you say
I
that.
never tell one.
You know if you say that.
Babes, from the day me born till now, me never tell one lie to you. Today. Boy, you say you really close to me.
Alright, go on.
I want to know that you say I call.
Go on.
You say I call your cookies stew peas and me know tomorrow morning KFC here.
Go on.
You hear me I say? You know see your money in the bank.
No money in my bank.
I want 3 piece. I want famous boy, everybody.
Make who say if I go to buy you one 3
No matter, you hear some mother sick, come if you buy me 3 piece. Come like you want me like a cheat and made if you have sense. Want to your babes?
Why you about to abuse me body?
Because you know no sense. Me tell me I go to my mother house and mother wash my clothes and buy KFC. You know rate me or you know rate my mother?
You know me getting loud.
You come with you, man. Like, come like me move, come back and I said thing.
Oh, mother call you. Come here, idiot. Me are the idiot. Fool me once, I can't fool me twice.
Mommy. I said I go on the road, though, but I'm not come back in tonight, you know.
You not come back in tonight?
No, I'm not come back.
You take my advice.
What advice?
You and your ex get back to no ex. You and
What
you,
ex you talking
you're taking
about?
back now.
No.
So where you stay tonight? If you now
Me
stay
I
with
go out
him.
with my new boyfriend. We are going to sleep over and we are going to on date and something. We are going to meet him and everything. So I'm not sleep here tonight.
That day.
Yes.
Yes,
He love me and
sweet.
me love him.
Love.
Yeah.
You know nothing but love. I just the other day you meet him and love already.
But if you didn't know about love, you and my father that's still there.
No, but that me tell you already. Learn from other people's mistake. Learn from other people's mistake.
And that made it so I not go back to my ex, because you not go back to my father.
Alright. You can't tell you what to do. He's a big woman. Just remember my advice and walk good here. Be safe. Why this child won't listen to big people that talk? She have to go feel it for herself. Jaja.
Hi.
Aye. Nothing.
You know, link back there. I guess on, sir.
So, me call you.
Yeah.
And you go call me mother. Me give birth to you?
No, I know that, sweetheart. Remember, see, I'm my mom's.
Me look like your mom's?
Yeah, of
Me
course.
drive underfit, me look like your mom's? And mom's alone drive underfit.
Boy, you drive me crazy.
So
that
me
mean-
not understand. You call me mommy. The last time we meet right at the spot, you see him and tell me say you never date a girl before. One day for a girl, you did decide to make you come to have a hello mommy.
No, babes, I think far, man. Why you even think that?
Yes, me have to think far.
No, man, you make me feel insecure. You feel insecure. No, think that way, man. I just different. I look a cute, look a nickname.
Well, me not like it.
What kind of nickname you like?
Me not like your mom's thing.
See what I'm call her.
If you own me, you have to show ownership. You don't mom's me.
What would you like me to call you, sweetheart?
Wifey.
Wifey?
Yes, when I call the phone again, I say yes, wifey.
No problem.
And don't come say mom's. Because
Alright.
I'm not your mother.
Okay.
You understand?
You're pretty like mother, though.
Yeah. So, I want to know full time now, so I wonder if would I go out for like a date, like for eat, you know, enjoy ourselves and get to know each other more and talk and laugh and
Yeah,
probably meet your mother too.
Yeah, of course, can meet your mother. Even though I have a little feeling, say your mother not too fond of me.
Don't worry about she. She alright. And me I deal with and she I deal with. Come on, I listen to she. Me a big woman. Yeah. So me a big woman. She said the man too big for me. But a big man, me not like a little pitney them. Little pitney them not in the sense I'm like the big man them like you know.
Yeah, I get I get answer. So I don't know problem. But before all of that, so what you plan for doing at nights? We the chat boys sleep over.
Yeah, for come over tonight. No later than tonight.
I love that.
Yeah, right tonight, yeah. Mother cook food for you too. Come and tell her, say, yeah, come over. Even
What
though
she
she not
cook?
too like, yeah.
that would make me nervous, you know.
You know, I'm nervous because me I eat it too.
Yeah, eat it too.
Yeah, same place with how we eat out.
Oh, hold on there. Hello?
David,
Yo.
let me tell you this. Let me ask you a question. You are your mother can sleep in the said bed?
No, sir.
So you mean by you going for your mother? You see, if you don't want me burn up the clothes them we you have over here, you come take them up now. Find your yard now. And remember, say we win the lotto. Come over now, come here, burn up the clothes and come burn to the mama house.
Jesus Christ.
Come now.
Alright. Babes, I'm so sorry. My mother just called me. I tell me say when you lose and I kidney them and I run go to hospital. I don't want to feel like this. I can't bother sleep over tonight. I have to run go over my yard.
It's a joking thing.
No.
So why me and you can't go over there?
Oh, you have to
We
go
can't run it now. You ready?
Yeah, no bother with that, man. I ain't time for joke now. But
Me not joke.
I'm going to rearrange.
I'm a nurse, so me can't help come.
We rearrange it. We see you next time. I'm sorry about this. As me reach over and make you know what I'm going. Here, go and take care of yourself. Here, baby.
I'm taking now, sir.
What? What brother, where you come from?
There, man, up on the hilltop,
So
where I
it-
come from.
You know, tell me if nothing go on.
Well, I see her one time I walk come up, you know.
Oh,
But she still not there for what me there under there. Man, him mother walk. I try convince him, but he not work.
you see, if your mother convince her, that means say, you can put in your application back again.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
But me there on the boombox thing still.
Remember you know the boombox thing? The boombox thing is the perfect thing for to do.
Oh, daddy.
Huh?
Must see she a come here too.
Oh,
See her?
are you exercise?
Yeah.
No. See, man.
Watch how you walk, so.
You know,
You know, see me also can't tap.
you know, so what I mean, the top her, but through the big mouth killer, I couldn't even get to talk to her, but it's a good thing. Because why would I breathe her? And your feet. I don't know, say you exercise. Man, sorry full of want you back, you know.
Sorry for what?
You can't give him a chance.
Sorry for everything me do.
Yeah.
You know what this man do me?
Where do I?
Tell the man what you do me. You dey blow up.
He must say me there with the auntie, but me not like that, daddy.
You do the hand thing.
The man there with me, and then him left. Behind my back, go there with my auntie. She in there with my best friend, and my best friend, close friend too. My auntie.
So you move. You know,
You know, my mind that me go up on the road, daddy. I would drink up people.
no, listen to me. Don't remember about the night when they go on road.
So you can't exert yourself.
Don't, no.
And me go up on the road, man. But yeah, move so.
So the woman when they come there, did her auntie?
He looks so.
Now he looks so I'm an auntie. You're too damn
He's
lie.
so untouched. He's so untouched.
I always want to know. When you not cheat with responsible. When you not lie with responsible.
Daddy, but when you cheat, I rum make we cheat more while.
Rum the on the shelf. Me never tell you if you go trouble it.
That how we make a rum, you know?
You can't
We
see a
rum
nice
bad,
woman and cheat for the woman. Eh? How you fool so?
Me I feel bad in myself, me I go do that.
And now you should have had the boom box.
Boombox now go work, daddy. Kind of boombox.
When you bung some love song, her heart would have melt and weak. That's your mama, you don't love roses.
But not from him.
Hard, daddy.
You don't love chocolate.
No.
Boy, you have money, you know.
You could have.
A bad man in
of
claim saying,
million.
but you know,
And your
where
point
thing come
is?
down. You know, so we just book him and just eat, you know.
Book what?
Book
What you going to book?
No, man, we have done
Go and fix your
No,
life.
listen, if you never go book anybody,
Mm.
don't involve me in it.
So yeah,
We all-
no me a par.
No, when? Since when? Since when?
So I know you back out right now.
Mama, me don't know him. I don't know him.
You better know me again.
When? You don't just stop here, so, and I said, see your ex a come there. Me know you. Where me know you from?
Daddy. Alright, everything.
Where they walk and watch me for?
Me now watch
Oh,
him.
watch your pums.
So you know some down there so walk come. We are
Up on the hilltop me I come from. I see spot me have to I can look and see you.
Realize I go round so
Mm-hmm.
you find me.
Cause we a walk, I see a one
come
village.
the way yeah, you still find me.
I weed me go look up on the hilltop there.
I tell you last time. Say my man,
Mm.
a gunman.
Me not respond
and
boy, yeah, man.
hate you. Why you left me alone?
I don't know,
I
page in
move
the book.
on with life.
When they hear
Mama,
somebody say about page,
No
you know,
respond
page
boy,
in
yeah,
the book.
man, mama. We can book him. Yeah, talk about page, we can
Book him for what?
You
man.
don't hear
Concert.
me.
Hmm?
You don't hear me.
I'm
I
man.
say ho, my man carry this thing here now. You don't hear
Come
me.
let me have to go buy one for myself and lift up and show you say, yo, we not to talk.
Who?
Hmm?
We who not do that?
Easy as daddy.
You dey
This
talk.
when you have mentioned yourself, say you. Don't use the word unu, cause mama my face and me in it. I mean, I want to tell him
But the
man.
mayor par.
The man just say no
So you're
yarn him
afraid of
apart.
people? No, we're not afraid of
Listen
people,
me.
daddy.
Yes, when he come on to
Damn lie.
this year,
Mm.
when she
But we
attack
can't get that.
me no know you.
What? We can't
So
get that,
mama,
daddy.
mark me face. This year boy, I don't know him. See there? Me blind. Me not see him. Me not hear neither.
Rubbish.
Mama, me can't borrow me here if you walk go down the road.
Yeah man, you can't walk go on you this.
Alright, let go walk.
Rubbish.
Me not look back. Me not business with him.
Thing, you see how you.
Where lot of money there? Where lot of money there?
I don't worry about lot of money. Me no win no lotto. Your feel to say me didn't win lotto, but that's still there, so. Me pick up and go a long time. I show you how to tell lie the proper way.
So who I tell lie?
Yo.
Look, some mother drink some Andrews and feel better, yeah. Cause a lot of money can't get me over here, so through my mother feel better. Me tell you that. Your money.
All the clothes them go burn up, but wash. I put them on the back for burn up. Me put them on the back for burn up. Me nah ramp with you this area.
But you close them for?
Boy, you gonna have mother, sick out.
So you think I'm dark this? You think you're more important than my mother?
Me no think so, but me have a feeling say your mother don't know your mother. Me know when you tell her you can't look at me.
So me I look. Yeah, I know. I lie me I tell.
Oh, you tell the truth.
Yeah, me never tell you one lie yet. Sometimes you just say some things and I feel bad.
How me make you feel bad? Alright.
No. All right, me. Listen to me, I say. Listen to me, I say. I said the reason why I run away last time. You tell us a gunman I run me down. Yeah, I say. Me should have asked them why me I run me down. Yeah, idiot. When they shot me, what me I gonna do? If you ask God why then they run me down when me dead. No, me tell us my mother sick. You are saying you don't believe some mother sick. Me are looking at your eye and I tell us my mother sick. And me I come from my yard and you make me look like this big fat lion.
In the fact, but you want to lie at things. But anyway, let me ask you. We now bring the past into the present now. We are going to put that behind us. We are going to stop accusing you of things. Anything we say, I saw it go. You say you come from your mother? If your mother, I just never believe it. Because when I tell them your mother had me that plan to come.
No, you
But,
sure good on there.
no, but I true me say me I give you 10 because any you never come me that come look for you because you say you sleep tonight in the house. So better go and go eat the stew peas.
You know I'm not stew peas. We're not dead for hungry. You know I'm not stew peas.
I'm going there if you're hungry
You know
then.
I'm not stew
When
peas.
me look
A
what
fried
chicken
chicken
give
my
you.
mother cook over there. And she call me over here. But yo,
Me don't cook chicken give you.
me know I'm not chicken. We dead for hungry. Me know I'm nothing from you.
Everything is, as I come back here and make be a mischief in our yard. Me tell you that you.
And the next thing too, don't make me clothes them wet up. Wash me clothes them.
No, you wash me drawers them.
Yeah, what you doing?
Why you come back so quick?
Cause, boy, everything not end well.
What happened?
So when I go, I see him and we did it. Him said to me, say, I can't go by the sleep over because his mother takes sick with one and keep then I have to go with his mother, go to doctor and something. So I said to him, say, me can come, me can run, and he say no. Me say me a nurse but me can't help and he say no. Him can deal with his mother takes sick. It's no problem.
And you never know him had a sick with kidney problem when you fall.
Him have to go and carry his mother go back to doctor.
And you know see nothing fishy in that.
What fishy about that? Him say me can't help cause he bigger than me, so him have to carry his mother go to doctor.
And you believe him.
Yeah. So
Girl,
why me not believe
me
him?
dep on this earth a little bit longer than you. Sick mother, sick picnic, usually mean me there with my girlfriend, you can't come. Or I don't know if you're there with the boyfriend and you can't come. But either way, that's a regular excuse, my girl. Is that a regular excuse man use? And true, say them is their mother. You're going to feel sorry for them.
Because him say mother sick with kidney. Why a person that call him sick when the mother and the mother not sick?
You will be surprised what man will do. And I'm going to try to get out of a lie here. Me still
That's what
say,
daddy did to you.
well, that's why me always I tell you to learn from my mistakes. And me see you going down the same road.
What same road? After me not go back to my ex, so how me feel go back down the same road?
Better you did go back to him, baby. Better you did go back to him because this one original.
So why you not go back to my father then?
Come me learn my lesson. And
So
I
you
had
don't
to
feel
learn
like
it the
I learned
hard
my
way.
lesson?
No, baby, you not learn no lesson. Me I
So me
watch
go
you,
back to
me I
my
watch
ex
you
and you
jump
learn a
over the
lesson?
cliff and me I try pull you back from the cliff edge and you push me away and I jump forward. Like say you're Shelly Ann. You just a run over the cliff, so.
So me should go back to my ex and then you'll be happy.
Me happier than if you stay with this one.
You they sick. You they mad. Me, go back to my ex. You they sick, you they mad. I will never go back to that man.
All right. Remember, sir, me tell you that when you call me mad. When you go ball and I holler, remember that. Nobody come back and holler to me, you know. Because all you're going to get is, I told you so.
Why me go cry? Why me go harass? He always make me happy.
This,
My ex make me sad.
it not come yet, baby. It not come yet. I hope and pray I'm wrong. But me not
You're
think so.
definitely wrong,
Me
man.
not think so.
Okay.
This one funny.
I'm going outside.
Me not understand how you can read between the lines yet and see what go on. But
Read
all
between the
right.
lines with that and then come back.
All right. If I saw, I saw.
Sweet fear more.
Then no me man that.
Sweet fear more. So that
One
me
day
talk
my
about.
sister. Hold on, make me eye dance see what go on.
That me talk about.
Oh, what is man? Their mouth.
Fear notes.
Don't talk about me nose. Don't talk about me nose. Do not talk about me nose. Don't talk about me nose. Don't do this again. No, me I don't.
Yeah, fire breather. You not even want to say that.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You sure you love me?
I love you with all of my heart.
You sure?
Of course, I love you.
Now me alone you have.
Yeah.
You know, now it's a girl.
No.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You sure?
Sure say there's a God in heaven. That's what you have sure say. I alone me have.
You sure?
Yeah.
Give me up.
Alright.
Tell me.
man, me tell you about man. Boy, oh boy, man is such a liar.
Lord God, what do you, baby? Talk to me. What do you? What's wrong?
Mommy,
How
you
are?
see him? Dirty boy with the one me bought. He's a big, perfect liar that you know.
What happened now?
About this, so, mommy. I'm finding man with other woman, mommy.
Hmm.
Me should have listen to you, no. Me should have listen to you. But no, me the big woman I take up big man.
Me would have could say, I told you so. But you look too upset, so me not gonna say it, because you don't know already.
Mommy, right now, me just feel like more I hang myself.
No. Nobody talk like that. Nobody ever talk like that. No man is worth that. Me no go through 9 months of carrying you and 32-hour labor for bring you into this world. For source a man, make you take your life. You mad? We'll kill first. No. No man no worth that. So tell me something. What happened to your ex? He will take you back now.
Mommy, him not even talk to me much just to take me back. Not even mommy, that's a man.
You try. I want no, my girl. Not talk so. Not talk so. Make me hear. Listen, no man is worth that. Here, actually, nobody worth that. Man or woman or child or beast no worth you taking your life. You hear? You just jump up, spruce up yourself. Sure. All right, you try that one. Maybe now you will listen to wise head, mommy wise head. One, shake up yourself, my girl. Shake up yourself. Come, just get up. Come, get up. Jump up. Shake up yourself. Give me a smile. A man no work that. Shake up yourself.
What me I go do?
You gonna live. A man make you live. A man bring you here. You live your life.
Everybody out there have money, especially me.
What is to be will be. Look how long me single and me happy. What is me now say you got single as long as me, you know. I'm an old woman. But look for you, baby girl. A fool. How him can have such a precious gem as my daughter? I look for another woman. You know, see, say I'm an idiot, mama man. You feel look up my girl and say, thank God you find out no before no heart going at the thing. Remember, say that talk love.
Alright, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what you do now. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. How we run things, you know, my girl. Things a man no run we.
Yeah, man. I go show you something.
Yeah, man. Shake up yourself, liven up yourself, and twist it round pan them.
Yeah, twist the table tomorrow.
Yeah, man. First thing.
Yeah.
First thing, baby.
Yeah.
All right, me go get you a stiff drink, and we come back and we reason and plan. Them don't know who them I deal with. Trouble my baby girl. All right, trouble my baby girl. Me I come, baby. Me I get you a special.